What's going on, guys? Fashionably late as always. I bet all you guys are panicking so much right now. We have a ton to go over today. A ton to go over today. Hope you all are having a good day today. I'm gonna try my best. Try my best to stay calm here for you guys today. But I hope you all are having a good day. Besides looking at the charts, right? I mean, when you're having these red days, the first thing I want to say today, guys, is maybe if you guys can't handle the red days, maybe just don't look at the charts. I mean, like I've heard a ton of you guys say, you guys love looking at charts. I do too. But sometimes when you're having these type of days, you need to step back a little bit, not look at the charts so much, and just realize that this is part of the journey, guys. We're gonna take, like I said, we're gonna take a look at a ton of Bitcoin charts today to show why you guys should not be worried right now. Okay, why you guys should not be worried right now. What's going on? We got Gianni. We got Prometheus. I'll see all you guys in here today. I was just hanging out with a few friends before I was here, having a few beers, not looking at the charts, because sometimes it's not healthy to look at the charts when they're in the red like this. Sometimes it's good to take a step back, hang out with some friends, family, and not be so worried, right? So I also got a nice cold one here with me today to try to keep me calm for you guys so I don't start going on rants over and over again. Cheers, guys. All right, so what do we got going on for BTC here? So BTC, we know today it got rejected from its 4-hour EMA again, right? You guys can see right here. Got rejected from that 4-hour EMA once again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And now this time decided to break down here. We actually wicked all the way back down to about 50,400, okay? But since then, we've got a decent bounce back to the upside to 51,800. So are we out of the blue yet? Are we out of the blue? Was that the bottom? Well, we have a couple interesting things that I want to go over here. So obviously, we have our 4-hour close, which is going to be our close in about 57 minutes from now, right? It's 7:03 at my time right now, but the close is in about 17 minutes. So if we look right here, right? If we look right here, this is really interesting. If we get a close and we can get somewhat of a decent bounce off this relative area, you guys can see we might be forming some type of bullish divergence here, but it's only if after we get this close, we get a green candle bounce to the upside. We could have a little bullish divergence here to at least get us a nice relief rally back to the upside. The reason why I bring this up, right? And even if we do get a relief rally, it's just going to be a relief rally. It's not going to be any type of sustained upward price action, in my opinion. But if we go back in time, look at the last couple of times we've had this bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart. Right here, guys, you guys can see lower lows consistently in the price action here and higher lows in the RSI, which resulted in a higher price, right? We go back even further. Right here, this is a hidden bullish divergence, but same type of thing. We had lower lows on the price action, higher lows in the RSI. Led to a high, was our bottom and led to a high, right? We go back further in time. Same type of thing. This is just the opposite, right? Higher lows in price action, lower lows on the RSI was our bottom of this dip. And after that, we continued to go on our rally. So it doesn't have to necessarily mean anything, right? We can get these 4-hour bullish divergences and just kind of go back up slightly and then just roll back down. That's definitely possible too. I don't think we're quite out of the woods yet, but I don't think you guys should be panicking either. Okay, so that's the 4-hour time frame. We got a couple supports looking down here. Big support here at about 51,200, and then another big support right around 50,230, where we just wicked to actually on this 4-hour candle. Now, if we look a little bit lower here, we got our next big support is right around 47,252, which I think, right? Excuse me, guys. I think this could be our next pretty big support, right around 47,252. So the reason why, right? The reason why is if we switch on over to our daily chart, right? We have what we looked at yesterday. If you guys didn't catch the stream yesterday, I'll explain it for you. So whenever we dip below our 50-day moving average in this bull market so far, we've only done it twice, but we've always came back down to our 140-week daily moving average. Okay, every single the last 2 times at least. So we go back, which is also the equivalent of our 20-week moving average. Why it is such an important level. Okay. Let's go back to our current time frame. So I told you guys yesterday, if we got a daily close below this line, right? So you guys shouldn't be surprised. I told you guys this was going to happen. If we got a daily close below this line, it was most likely that we're going to come back down to retest our 140-day moving average or 20-week moving average. Same thing, right? So right now that sits at 44,600, right? So you're probably saying, Jordan, does that mean we're going to go back to 44,600? Well, it doesn't necessarily mean that. This is a daily moving average. So you guys know this moves up every day. So what I think is interesting is if we kind of do like a little, we dump a little bit, pump back up, kind of take our time. Maybe by the end of this month, this comes back up to like 47,000 or so, which I think correlates a lot with this support line here, right? Big support, a lot of support and resistances in this general $47,000 area. And that's why I think it is possible we could come back down to about 47,000 if it takes a long time. Now, if we get a big flash crash, right? A big flash crash, we just go straight down. It is possible we can come back down to about that $45,000 to $44,000 range. So do not count that out. Do not count that out. But I don't want you guys to panic, right? If that was to happen, if we were going to get a big flash crash down, the V bottom we would get would be insane, right? So if you panic sold, if it dipped here, you panic sold, you wouldn't even have enough time to buy back and you would end up buying back even higher. I'm telling you right now. So just be careful if you are selling. If you want to take some profits, go ahead. I recommend hodling until we break the 20-week moving average. In my opinion, the only way I flip bearish is if we break that 20-week moving average. Until then, it's par for the course. It's par for the course. And we can look at a bunch of different things for that. So you guys know that my daily time frame stuff, right? Most likely come back down to that 140-day moving average over the medium term. Let's go to the weekly chart. So our 20-day moving average right now sits at 45,215. We know this rises up every week that goes by. So this is where I'm looking at. So in my opinion, if we break this yellow line, which is our 20-week moving average, then I would be pretty bearish, right? But we still have a decent way to go to get there. From where we currently are right now, which is 52,000, that would be approximately another about 13% dip to the downside. So not too much of a dip. And if we're worried about a 12% dip, then maybe this is not the right market for us, and we should just end up listening to this guy.
You should be investing in stocks, not crypto.
So just be wary of that. What's going on, David? Hope you're having a good one, man. But yeah, so let's take a look at our top. So from our top to our bottom, say if we went from our top down to our 20-week moving average, that would be approximately about a 30% dip, which lines up so much, like very, very perfectly with what you should be getting in bull markets. We've been so far overextended for these last couple weeks. I think people are a little brainwashed into thinking that a crypto bull market should literally just be all sunshine and roses, no dips, right? We should just be going up in a straight line forever, like we did in the beginning of this year, right? Like at the end of this year, and the beginning of end of last year, beginning of this year, right? I think everyone just thinks it should be, we're going up to the moon, straight line, no dips. If we get a dip, it's going to be 10%, and we're all going to be rich, and going to be no trouble and tribulations, no panic, just sunshine and roses, right? I think that's what everyone thinks. And it honestly, it's like sometimes it blows my mind because you should be welcoming these dips in the bull market. Do I have to go back to 2017 again? I do. Okay. Look at 2017. Look at these big dips down to our 20-week moving average. And this is also the reason why I'm not bearish until we break that 20-week moving average on a weekly close basis. You guys can see since the start of our bull market in 2017, we came down to that 20-week moving average every single dip. And every dip was about 30%, right? 30%, 32%, 30%. I'm not going to do the whole way up, right? Some of these are 30%, some of these are 40%, but also all of them are mostly 40%, and you always came back down to that 20-week moving average. And this is not the reason that you should panic, right? We even had one in this bull market. I believe down here was about this one was about a 20% move to the downside. I believe maybe this one was a 30%. Yeah, so we had a 30% dip literally just in the beginning of this year. So I don't know why people are so panicky right now, and everyone's saying it's the end of the bull market. I think it's because there's a lot of newer people in the space, and a lot of people don't understand how bull markets work in crypto. Like this is literally how it's supposed to be. And it's just funny because I'm gonna show you guys something here. It's just funny because if we actually rewind back to a couple weeks ago, let's rewind back to like the end of February, right? When we're having this big green dildo up here and everyone's like, oh. And then you got all these people, right? Hold on. All these people, right? Just read this for a second. Read this. All right? Just for a second. I'll give you guys a second. I'll give you guys just a second to read it. And I'll have a sip here while you guys read it. Do I have to say anything else? Do I have to say anything else? Anything else? You guys got it? All right. Cool. I think we got it here. Anyways, let's take that off here. Let's take that off there. That's all I got to say, guys. Like, it's literally clockwork. It's like clockwork. These whales get you to think in the way that they always want you to think. Okay, it blows my mind. It's just, it's crazy. Like, we've only had a 20%. If this is what if this is a panic we're gonna get over a 20% dip, I can't even imagine the panic in the running for the streets that we would get on a 40% dip. Can you guys imagine if we had a 40% dip? Like, the amount of panic would be crazy. And like I said, if we rewinded back to the end of February, I heard people saying, I'm going to mortgage, if we ever went back into the 40Ks, I'm going to sell my house and throw it in Bitcoin. If we ever go back to 40K, I'm going to sell all my life savings into Bitcoin. And now all of a sudden, we get to that point where we're going into that big dip, right? A great buying opportunity. And all of a sudden, all those people are gone and everyone's panicking and everyone wants to panic sell their crypto. Okay? Like, I had to do it today, guys. I had to do it. Okay? I had to do it. The flip-flop, right? So the flip-flop in the crypto community is absolutely insane. And like I said, I understand if you're new to the crypto market, I totally get why you think like a 20% dip is a big dip, because if you go look into stocks, you look at commodities, a 20% dip is pretty big. Like, that's like, holy crap. In crypto, this stuff happens literally, like, we've been spoiled so far in this bull market because we haven't got that 30% dip. We've only had one 30% dip in this bull market so far. But you look at all the other past bull markets, we have 30% dips. In 2017, we had 9 30% dips. You guys can go back and count yourself. We had 9 30% dips in the 2017 bull market. Okay? So we need to start being conditioned for this and expect a pullback down to the 20-week moving average every single time. All right? We should, at any point, right, when everything's going so well, we always need to think back and remember the times that we went back to the 20-week moving average, expect it to happen at all times. And if you expect it to happen at all times at any time, right, then you won't be surprised when it happens. Okay? All right. So that is the rant on that. Hold on, I need my music back here. Here we go. Well, let me fix my song here, guys. All right, so here we go. My point is, guys, just relax. Just relax. This is super healthy for the bull market. We go back. Let's go back to 2017 again, guys. You guys know my 20-week, my extension from 20-week moving average always plays out. Always plays out. You look here. Every time we hit this blue line here, which is this chart down here, shows how far we are extended from our 20-week moving average. Every time we hit this line, we always get a pullback, and it's nonetheless here, right? We hit it again, we're getting a pullback, and we always come back down to our 20-week moving average. Okay, see, in 2017, every pullback we always came back down to that 20-week moving average until we started getting parabolic, but we always came back. In this bull market, our last two big dips, we came back down to 20-week moving average. Look how extended we are. We haven't been this far from the 20-week moving average for this long ever in Bitcoin's history. This is the longest and farthest we've been extended from a 20-week moving average, and this was so needed. Like if we kept going up at the pace we would have, the bull market would have been over way sooner. This is kind of resetting the market, getting the weak hands out, getting more whale money in here. That's going to inherently boost up the floor that we have, and it's just going to be a good time, you know. So I'm not worried about this dip. You can come all the way back down to, like I said, all the way back down to about 45,200, and we're still rocking and rolling here, ready for the V bottom. Because if and when you do get this big dip here, it's gonna be a quick dip, and you're gonna bounce back up, okay? Because we know looking back at the previous dips back down to the 20-week moving average. Look at this one, right? Well, not so much in this bull market. Let's go back to 2017. When you do come back down to that 20-week moving average, look how quick. So this is on the weekly chart, remind you, right? So every time you come back down to that 20-week moving average, right, it takes literally like 2 weeks to get back up to your previous point, all right? Same thing here. You bounce back to the 20-week moving average. It takes you 1 week to get above there, okay? You go down to the 20-week moving average, it literally wicks down to it and then's back up within 2 weeks, okay? So same thing here. Wick down to it, you're back up in 1 week. So even if you do dip back that low, you're going to bounce back pretty quickly, and it's literally just going to be a mirage in the grand scheme of things, okay? In the grand scheme of things. When in doubt, too, one more. When in doubt, zoom out, look at the monthly chart, okay? Look at the monthly chart for Bitcoin. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green months in a row. That the most green months we've ever had in a row for Bitcoin, mind you. We've never had 6 green months in a row. We were due for a red month. This is it. We're getting it over with, throwing it out the window, and moving on. Okay, so that's my quick 20-minute rant on Bitcoin. I had to do it today, guys, just like I did it yesterday. And I will keep doing it. I will keep doing it until we stop being SpongeBob, okay? If we keep being freaking SpongeBob, right? If we keep being this guy, I'm going to keep doing it every single day that I see it, okay? We don't got weak hands in this community. We got strong hands. Right? But like I said, if it's money you can't afford to lose, I have no problem with you guys selling. But if it's money that you're investing for the long term, don't be a panic seller, okay? And that's why I always say only invest money you can afford to lose in the beginning, because if you invest, so this is the problem. You get really nervous. You start getting really, really nervous when inherently you are investing money you can't afford to lose. You see a 20% dip. You're biting your nails thinking, how am I gonna? I thought this was gonna go up forever. I didn't think we were gonna get any pullbacks. Like, I can't afford to lose this money. And what happens is you psychologically panic sell because you don't want to lose any more. All right, and then you get that bounce, and then you pissed off and say crypto's a scam and all this stuff. That's kind of the cycle of it. So I always say, don't invest money you can't afford to lose, and that's the number one rule. And if you only invest money you only invest money you can afford to lose, it's very, very easy to stay calm, not worry about it. Okay, so all right, that's my end rant with Bitcoin. Let me get rid of SpongeBob here, and then we'll continue this. Let's check out Ethereum. So Ethereum held up really, really well today, actually. So I'm pretty sure Ethereum is still up on the day, which is crazy considering the dumpage we had in the market today. But Ethereum was going ham today. I initially got like a 13% pump to the upside, and then got a big wick back to the downside here, coming back to the same spot, but it just got a decent bump back up to the upside here. So Ethereum was super freaking good, guys. Super freaking good. Like, considering that we got a big dip today in the markets and we're still sitting at 2,430 is absolutely insane. JB, what's your opinion on the possible increase on capital gains tax? I haven't read it, honestly, but I think it only is a certain tax bracket. So I think it's 39% on taxes. I think it's 39% on a certain, like, you have to make a certain amount. I don't think it's for everyone. Don't quote me on that. I haven't read like a full article or heard anything on it, besides heard a few rumors. But I'm pretty sure that only affects the top of the top. So if you make $1 million or more dollars, then it's taxed at 39%. I don't think it's everyone. If it is everyone, that's freaking BS, and that shouldn't be allowed, dude. In all seriousness. But this is not a politics channel, so I can't talk about my views on capital gains taxes and things like that. So, all right, so yeah, that is Ethereum. Look for Ethereum to hold like 2,300, 34, and 2,261. Those are its two big supports looking down here. Ethereum's just looking really strong right now. It really is. Like if you were to dip a little bit lower, you probably maybe come back down to these levels, maybe 2,052. That's if you really start moving back down. But Ethereum, just like I said, got so strong today. But yeah, like I said in my Ethereum video today, I told you guys, Ethereum's going to look really good. But if Bitcoin starts dumping again, Ethereum's going to dump. And that's exactly what happened. So let's check out, we're not going to check out Doge today because Doge is Doge. No offense to you Dogers out there. I know there's a ton of you Dogers. I'm going to start getting attacked on the Dogers. All right, so let's see. Let's go back to let's go to CoinMarketCap, check out some of the biggest gainers and losers today, and then we'll go over some of the higher cap altcoins. Oh, guys, actually, before I get started with this, I'm giving away $50 today. In order to get in the giveaway, go follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description for my Instagram and right here. Just made it, so just trying to get some followers over there. I'll be posting like exclusive content for my Instagram and things like that. So if you want like some more little content for me, kind of shorter clips and things like that, go follow me on Instagram. Links in the description. I also just post it in the chat. I'm going to be picking a random winner at the end of the stream. So go follow me over there on Insta. All right. So thank you guys. Yeah, you got it, man. That's what I'm here for, man. I'm here to keep you calm. In the words of Jordan, I'm here to keep you calm, ride the wave, do some kumbaya here, and just hang out. You know, Jazz, I'm not following you back. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Just kidding. All right, let's start this up. So BTC down 5% today. Ethereum up 1% today. So Ethereum might be Solana. Solana actually killing it, up 17% today for some reason. XRP down 12 might be a good. I mean, XRP is all the way down to 118. That's crazy. XRP was close to $2 at one point. So if you wanted to scoop up some XRP, damn, that is a deal right there. I might have to scoop up some XRP if I can find a place to freaking buy it. But yeah, dude, like that's really good price for XRP. Cardano down to 116. I'm waiting for $1 to buy Cardano. I think if Bitcoin continues to dip, we'll see $1 Cardano. So I'm waiting for $1 for Cardano to buy more. Doge down 16% today, all the way down to 26 cents. Down to 26 cents. That's crazy. Polkadot down 6%. Uniswap up 1. Litecoin up down 3. Bitcoin Cash down 8. Chainlink down 4. VeChain. Damn, VeChain down 17% today. I might have to scoop up some more VeChain. Holy crap. Down 17% today? Like, that's a freaking steal on some VeChain. Why is Solana going off? Anyone in the chat know why Solana is going absolutely ham? They must have had some news or something. It's up 43% on the week and up 17% today. Even through this dump, which is crazy. What's going on with Solana? I'm too lazy to look it up. So Theta down 10. That's a good dip buying opportunity for Theta too. But yeah, a lot of dip buying opportunities. Let's go look at some of the biggest gainers today. I'm assuming Solana's number 1. Compound up 8. Ethereum Classic up 5. Thorchain up 3. Maker up 3. Unis up 3. And then everything else is pretty much flat. Not a lot going on here. I mean, considering the market's only down 3%. So considering the carnage that everyone's thinking, we're only down 3%, right? At the end of the day. That which is pretty crazy. It seems like we're down more. IOST down 21.76. Sia Coin down 20. Damn. All you Sia Coin lovers out there. I know there's a ton of you Sia Coin lovers out there. Down 20%. Kenneth said we don't care about news, just the charts. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Ken, man. CeeLo down 20, Hollow down 17. A lot of good buying opportunities. I know a lot of people like Sia Coin, a lot of people like Hot, a lot of people like BTT. All these down 15 plus percent. VeChain, Theta Fuel. Theta Fuel is down 30% on the week. If you want to scoop some Theta Fuel, like this thing's down 30%. That's a good dip buying opportunity. Waves down 13. I mean, everything else is pretty much down 13. So, I mean, we're not going to spend too much time on this because everything else is pretty much down at the same point. So, let's take a look at some of our top altcoins here. And then we'll start getting the show on the road here, shall we? So we looked at Bitcoin, we looked at Ethereum. Let's take a look at Binance Coin. Pretty sure most of these charts are going to look pretty similar to yesterday, just a little more carnage. I think carnage is going to be the new word here today for some reason, you know, some carnage. Prometheus said I need to move to Canada. Yeah, me too, man. When does the new tax start? It like they can't just pass it and it be this year, right? So for instance, that has to be probably put in effect next year, I'm assuming, right? Like they can't just be like, oh, I'm gonna pass it. Then from here on out, it's like that, right? I gotta assume it's for 2022. So as long as you sell, I mean, you should be okay for the regular capital gains tax, right? I could be wrong on that though. BNB, big dip down today, down to about 481. It popped back up here. Just looking like a normal chart. I mean, for a lot of these altcoins today, guys, like it's mostly just gonna follow Bitcoin. I mean, not for all of them. Like we see some outliers like Solana and stuff, but look for support at 506. Looks like we dipped way past that earlier. So honestly, like, is that even support at this point? I'd probably be a pretty good support right here too. So 511, 479, and 453 are next supports down. That I'm seeing for Binance Coin here. As long as you continue down, and I think we are continuing down. This like the thing, guys, here. The thing that only like is me thinking that we're not going to continue down here is that literally everyone thinks we're going to continue down, right? Everyone and their mother thinks that we're going to dump back down, which usually we do the opposite, right? Usually crypto does the opposite. So that's the only thing that has me held up. Like, are we going to continue down here? Because everyone's expecting a dip back down. And when everyone's expecting something, the market movers like to give us the middle finger. I'm gonna do this one, but like to give us the middle finger. All right. So yeah, that's Binance Coin. Look for these levels if you continue down. It's not much of a pattern right now. It's just kind of following the path of BTC. Trying to see if maybe you have maybe. I mean, it's a little bit too early to tell. Maybe you have some type of falling channel that's possibly forming here for BNB, but as of right now, it's a little bit too early to tell on this. We got 3 touches on the bottom, 2 touches on the top. Would like one more touch to confirm. Maybe it's some type of bull flag if you do get a bounce back to the upside and you hold this level on this close, but we shall see for BNB. Let's check out XRP. Like I said, down 10% today. XRP getting hammered today. Literally hammered today. XRP. What do we got going on here? So we actually broke down from our symmetrical triangle. We had the symmetrical triangle here. Like I said before, we were coming from the downside, so it typically has a bearish bias when you're coming from the upside to the down. And we did continue down. And it looks like we actually held, as of right now, on the close basis. We did wick below it, but it looks like we're going to hold that 116 area. At least on this 4-hour close, looks like we're dumping to it right now as we speak. But if we do continue down, look for $1 to be our next support for XRP continuing down. Thanks, Just West. Thanks for the follow on IG. I'll shout it out a few more times on stream so everyone gets a chance. Let's see where we're at right now. Yes, we're up to 52, guys. Let's try to at least get to 100 on IG for today. Like I said, I am doing a giveaway, $50 giveaway. I'm going to pick a random IG follower for a $50 giveaway. Go follow me on IG. Links in the description, guys. But yeah, so you got a whole 116 for XRP. Even if it's freaking late, man. Even if it's freaking late. So down here, like $1 is your next target, right? $1 is your next support, in my opinion. I think I had that in the daily, that's why. But yeah, so that's what we're waiting for XRP. Waiting for what Bitcoin does. But you did break out of this symmetrical triangle, and that's most likely where you're going next. Now, let's see what we got for... Oh, Tether. Tether. Flat today. Are we surprised? I'm not surprised. I don't know why I always make that joke every stream. I don't think you guys think that's funny at all when I say Tether's up or down. But I don't know. I think it's kind of funny. Cardano, down 5%. Let's see what Cardano is doing. All the red, guys, today. All the red. Cardano, very similar to XRP. You broke from your symmetrical triangle to the downside. It looks like as of now, you hold this 112 area. You did wick below it, but as of now, you are holding it. So if you do continue down, look for 103 to be your price for Cardano. It's actually kind of funny because these are like literally the exact same prices as XRP, right? 112 is your support, and then right around $1. So I think that's kind of funny. It's kind of random, but these are your next two supports for Cardano if you do continue down. Not much as far as RSI movement, anything like that. It just looks like you're kind of just making your way down. It is possible that you could be forming some type of descending triangle on this. Something like this where you are getting support at relatively the same level and you are getting a decreasing highs, right? Lower highs. So you could be forming some type of symmetrical triangle here. We'll see if you do break that to the downside. Like I said, next target is 103 for Cardano. This technically has to break out by April 21st. So we shall see what happens next. Let's see. What else do we got here? We got... Do I really... All right, I'll talk about Doge. It's almost... I really hope... Like, I'm sorry to all your Dogers out there. Don't come at me. Don't come at me. All right, all you Dogers, don't come at me. But I really hope Doge falls out of the top 10. And it's not no slight to any Doge owners. I just I hope for my own sake, I hope Chainlink replaces Doge, and I hope VeChain replaces what was it? I hope VeChain replaces Litecoin. That's what I'm hoping. But anyways, let's see Doge. So I know there still is a lot of Dogers out there that probably are still holding their coins. I bet a lot of people panic sold Doge today. I bet a lot of people panic sold Doge. What's going on with Doge? Maybe, man. So a couple areas of support. I would want to hold this general area right at about 25.9 cents. If you break that, I mean, you could definitely be coming back down to, it looks like, about 23 cents. So yeah, look for those two support. But if you break those on the 4 hour, like, you got nothing here. You got nothing to all the way back down to about 14 cents. So beware, Dogers. Big area of support here between 23 and 26 cents. You break that, you could be coming a lot lower here for Doge. All you Doges out there. All you Doges. All right. So there we go. That's Doge. What do we got next? We got Polkadot. Polkadot, Uniswap, and Litecoin. Let's see what's going on with Dot. Dot. Man, Dot is really confusing right now. Hold on. So Dot, man, it's trying to hold this support. Trying to hold this level right here once, twice, three times. You break that, you could be definitely be going a lot lower here. Trying to see, maybe you do have some upwards resistance, and then, man, yeah, I mean, you might have been in some type of upwards channel that might have broken to the downside here. You also could probably draw it like this, and you're still in it, but I do think this makes a little more sense. You probably broke this to the downside, generally speaking. So we'll see. We'll see. It could end up being a wick. Look for that to try to, in the next 25 minutes, try to close above this line, and then you're still just in this general rising channel, right? So Safe Moon is a rug pull. Yeah, I mean, I tried to warn people on Safe Moon. You know, and anyone that FOMO'd in the Safe Moon, I tried to warn you. But you can't save everyone, right? You cannot save everyone. They're going to move on to Safe Mars now, right? I'm get some Safe Moon hat. All right. So that is dots. Look for a break for this. You break below that. Look at one of your supports is down here. Should have some support at like 3140 or so. And then after that, you're looking pretty low. Looking probably like 29.34 most likely. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with DOT. Uniswap. Who still owns Uniswap? I bet a lot of people still do. No one really asked about Uniswap though, which is kind of funny. Uni. What's going on with Uni? You broke this resistance. You got a nice pump to the upside. Uni actually getting a nice big pump on this 4-hour candle. If you go to the hourly, the only thing I'm worried about on the hourly chart is you could be forming a head and shoulders pattern here. If you get rejected at this hourly EMA, you do roll back down. Definitely could see a head and shoulders pattern forming here, and you could break it to the downside. You know, trying to retest a couple of these levels here. Looking like 1,018 for Uni. And then maybe down here at like 989. I'll give you a couple of supports. And then like 952. I mean, you don't really got a lot going on here for Uni, but definitely the possibility of this forming here if you do start to roll over here. But we'll see. A lot of it depends on what BTC does, as we know. Litecoin. What is going on for the silver of cryptocurrency, according to, I forget who said that. Someone said was it like that Peter Schiff guy or whatever? Someone said it's the silver of cryptocurrency. I don't know. I don't know if I agree with him, but so LTC, let's see. Yeah, I mean LTC is just kind of chilling, right? It's not really in any type of pattern, so to say. It's really stuck between like 254 and 284. So I think whichever one of these levels you break first, that's going to be your general direction here. You break to the upside. I mean, you can see you pretty much went straight up, straight down for the most part. Probably have some resistance at 316 if you break up. You break down though, I mean, you could be coming to just looking down like 240 and then all the way back down here towards maybe 233. Your next supports for Litecoin. Looking down for all you Litecoiners out there. I know there's a lot of Litecoiners out there. So trust me on that. A lot of Litecoiners. Nothing like some good bear. Some good bear. Safe Moon's about to blow. Jessica, I really hope you're trolling. I know there's a lot of trollers in here. All right, let's get to some of the. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing real quick. Bitcoin's sitting at 52,000, not doing really anything, and Ethereum sitting at 2427. So not really doing much right now. Really. Anyways, let's take a look at some of the super chats here. Let's get through some of these super chats. Thank you guys for the super chats. You guys are absolute stud muffins as always. Vladimir managed to capitalize on today's dump. Nice, dude. Congrats on adding to your position at a lower price. Dollar cost averaging has been proven to be the best strategy, unless you're some crazy trader who knows when to get the exact bottoms and tops, which is probably 1 out of a million people in this world. Dollar cost averaging is always the best strategy in my opinion, man. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. Hitting that subscribe button right down below. I'm sure I don't have to tell you how to subscribe, but make sure you do that. David, hey Jordan, help please. See a coin. Yeah, I saw See a Coin's having a pretty big dip today. I mean, at this point, dude, if you're still holding it, I don't think it would be a good idea to sell, dude. I mean, it's already down 20% today. I mean, it's one of those things, like, if you already hold to this point, I mean, Maybe it goes down to, just looking at this, maybe it goes down to about 3 cents. Maybe, right? I mean, from here, that would be another about 13% dip. If you can't handle a 13% dip, maybe sell. But like I said, like if you're already held to this point, I mean, maybe you shouldn't be selling. You know what I mean? What's going on, OP? Yeah, we'll definitely check out VeChain today, man. Thanks for joining the stream and hanging out with us, dude. All right, so that's Sia Coin.
Dollar happy and the half and half. You can say dollar happy on there.
Dollar happy. All right, sounds good, man. Tea time crypto. We did. No, we did that. Sia Coin. We did Sia Coin. Matt Prokop said, "Thanks for being the voice of reason, Jordan Curtis." You're welcome, dude. I try my best, man. I try my best. I understand, because when I joined the market, it was 2017, right? Like I was thinking the same way. Every single dip, I was like, should I sell? And what I end up doing is I end up selling and then ended up buying back higher. So that's why I try to tell you guys, like, dollar cost averaging, like being bullish until we break that 20-week moving average, which is totally normal, is the way to go, right? But once we break that if we break that 20-week moving average, then we can start maybe getting some bearish. But until then, we're good, dude. Just chill out. Everything's good until then, right? These dips are totally normal in the bull market. Dan Acuff, we already own the dip. We own the freaking dip, man. We own the freaking dip. Get your nachos out. Get the nachos out. I wish I had some nachos right now. That'd be pretty good. Wish I got some earlier at the restaurant, but hey, it is what it is. JB, what's your opinion on the possible increase on capital gains tax? Like I said, I haven't read too much into it right now, but I assume it's not going to be for everyone. It's going to be for people that make $1 million or more, which I hope that we all do. But I don't want to give 40% of my money away, which is kind of ridiculous. Hopefully that's 2022, so we can sell before the end of this year and not have to be into that. But we'll see. I could be wrong on that. Sunnyside, hey Jordan, I invested $39K in crypto on April 6th, and now have $33K. Not fun, but thanks for keeping me calmer than I would be. Absolutely, dude. I mean, think about it this way, dude. I mean, you're down $6K. I hope it's money you can afford to lose. I mean, I'm sure if you're investing $40,000, you probably, like, it's money you can afford to lose. It's extra money, but yeah, everything's fine, man. Like we break. So the 20-week moving average where we are now is about 10% lower. So say if we went 10% lower, that would only be about another 4K you lost. So you'd be at 29K. Like, if we break that 20-week moving average on a close, then yeah, you could start looking at selling. But until then, dude, we're good. We're good. JB, what's in your top 5 list of coins? My top 5 list, it depends on what kind of investor you are. So if you are let me go switch to the Bitcoin chart while I talk. If you are if you have a good amount of money, right? Obviously, you want to probably be a little less risk averse. So for people with a good amount of money, I always recommend Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, and VeChain. And then if you're a little more risk averse, you could probably go into smaller capital coins. I do a little bit of both, right? Majority of my money's in those top 5, plus Theta. But yeah, it depends what your investment strategy is, man. It really does. Afghan said bought more VeChain and ADA. Nice, man. Liking the questions today, guys. I'm liking these questions. These are some good freaking questions for the chat. These are all good. Hopium. I'm not seeing any doom and gloom super chats here. I was expecting a lot of doom and gloom super chats today, but I'm not getting any, which is really nice. Afghan, VeChain and ADA, great buys, dude. Great buys. I 2 of my top 5 coins, man. MT, I'm a new miner using a gold shell HS1 HNS. How long should I keep HNS before trading it into BTC or ETH? I have a feeling a lot of the low caps are going to dump a lot harder than BTC or ETH. That's the problem. So if we do see Bitcoin dip lower, then hold on. If we do see BTC dip lower, then it is possible that we see some of those lower caps dip a lot harder than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So be prepared for a pretty big pullback on those lower caps. So I mean, I always think switching over to Bitcoin Ether sooner is probably the better, man. Jess West was saying thank you from the Netherlands. Thank you, my dude. Thanks for following me on IG. Thanks for following me on the IG. We're up to 83 followers on IG, guys. Like I said, I'll mention it one more time since Wes shouted it out. I'm doing a $50 giveaway for Instagram. I'll pick a random Instagram follower today, so go follow me on Instagram. Trying to get over 100 followers today. That would be pretty sweet. So if you have an Instagram, link is in the description. Go follow me real quick. I'll also post it in the chat here real quick so you guys have a couple avenues to reach it. So go follow me over there. Like I said, $50 giveaway to a random Instagrammer towards the end of the stream. Let's see. Merrick, any volume at 47K? I think 47K would probably be, yeah. So I have a pretty good support at 47,252. A lot of support and resistance at that general cluster area. It's going to be tough for us to break. First of all, it's going to be tough for us to break 50,000. And it's going to be really tough for us to break 47,000. I think 47,000 is a very, very big area for us to hold. Obviously, because by the time we would get down there, we would probably have our 140-day moving average and our 20-week moving average be somewhere in that range. So, I mean, I expect us to get a bounce somewhere between 45,000 and 47,000 for sure. Let's see. Yeah, we can check it out. Hold on, I gotta skip this weird song that's coming on right now. Like, really, really weird song. It comes on like every stream, and I'm like, what is this? There we go.
Jordan, have you heard of Merchant Token ICO, and if so, what are your thoughts?
Merchant Token? And I have no idea what that is, but I'll check it out. If you could choose one between ADA, VeChain, or Chainlink to hold 5 to 10 years, which one would you choose? That's tough. So 5 to 10 years. Out of those, I mean, if you're talking long term, I'd probably hold Chainlink just because like Chainlink is used for everything, man. And the other two are a little bit more risky, not in the sense that like over the next like couple of years, but ADA, right? If Ethereum gets its upgrades that we're looking at in the summer, ADA could be, ADA could be kind of useless. Not so much useless, it just could be, Ethereum could still hold king in that avenue. Chainlink is the king of oracles. We know that, right? Nothing beats Chainlink in the oracle space. I think Chainlink is the best out of the next 5 to 10 years out of those three. But I love all three, right? All three's on my top 5, man. So I don't think you can go wrong with either of them. I just think Chainlink's probably the best play long term. Gavin said, any chance you look at Happy in the Hacking app? You can stake Happy on there. Yeah, we could check out Happy. I'm not sure what Happy is, but I'll be happy to check out Happy, Be very happy to check out Happy. What is this? What is Happy? Happy launched in 2021. Happy tries to solve cybersecurity issues in the decentralized finance space by using on-chain security protocol that creates trustless oracles. A sense of cross-chain smart contracts embedded into DeFi products allows for an increased level of cybersecurity. Okay. That's interesting. So tries to solve cybersecurity issues. Definitely a new one. I haven't heard of it. Ranked 114, has a $7 million market cap. Definitely a low cap altcoin. Looks pretty good, man. Looks like it's kind of just consolidating because obviously it's a newer project here. But yeah, looks decent, dude. Looks decent. Haven't seen anything like in that kind of space, like cybersecurity space. So definitely a newer type of coin there. Bitcoin right now, 51,600. We're getting a slight dip at the moment, but I think we're doing pretty well at the moment. We got 10 minutes till our daily close. We guys know the shenanigans that usually happens on these daily closes, right? Big freaking shenanigans. Big freaking shenanigans. All right, we're killing it with those Instagram followers, guys. We're up at 120 Instagram followers. Go follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Doing a $50 giveaway for a random Instagrammer today. And I'm probably going to do more in giveaways. I'll probably do one giveaway a week for Instagrammers. So if you just follow me just for the giveaway and then you unfollow me, I mean, it's your loss. I'll probably do one giveaway a week for Instagram going forward. Yeah, so BTC is getting close to its daily close. So Shenanigans could be going down. Jordan, have you heard of Merchant Token ICO? And if what are your thoughts? Never heard of Merchant Token, man. Let's check out Merchant Token. I don't know what it is, man. It's not. Doesn't seem like it's on CoinMarketCap, so I've never heard of it, man. I'm sure if it's not on CoinMarketCap, it's probably not going to be on the charts either. Yeah. So I don't know, man. Yeah. I'll check out VeChain. For all you VeChainers out there, I know there's a ton of VeChain lovers out there. I will check out VeChain. Don't you worry. Okay? Don't you worry. Just be patient. All right? I'll definitely get to VeChain. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what Merchant Token is, man. So, QM want a Titcoin, please. All right, we'll check out Titcoin. QM. Titcoin. This is a new one. I like these. So they got the ticker TIT. Look at them. Titcoin. There's not much data going on here. Doesn't seem like it's launched yet, maybe, but yeah, Titcoin, guys. If you want to maybe go check out whatever Titcoin's doing. Interesting logo. Look at the logo. Look at the logo. That's pretty funny. That's a good logo. They're trying to hide it in there, but yeah, not much info going on here for Titcoin at the moment. All right, Bitcoin's back down to 52,000. What are your thoughts on Engine? I'm new to Engine, so not sure what to think of the current bear dip. Great stream, by the way. I like Engine Coin. Engine Coin's a good project. It's obviously just dipping with everything, so I mean, that's not shouldn't anything be really worried about. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, it's trying to hold. So we had a upward support line here. It's trying to hold that upward support line. It's relatively far above it right now, so you should be okay for right now. But if you break this relatively upward support line, you could be coming back down to lower prices. Probably if you break this, break that support line, you probably got back down 191, and then you should have another support right here at about 151. If you do continue down, if you continue to get a bounce, perfect. You stay in this kind of symmetrical ascending triangle with one fake out type pattern here. All right. Not a trader. Dave said, not a trader, just a buyer and holder. I've been in for 1 year and already stuck out 20% dips. Only reason I'm profitable because HODL. Appreciate you. Thank you, Dave. Thank you for enlightening everyone, not just me. Take it for anyone that's anyone that's new to the market, take it from anyone that's been here for a year or longer. These dips happen, and shouldn't be anything you're worried about, right? You really shouldn't be anything to worry about. These dips happen. I know, see the thing about crypto, right? I know a ton of people probably got in right here, right? A lot of people that are watching the stream, actually, I'll back it up a little bit, right? I'll be a little bit generous here. A lot of people that got into, that are probably, I say, 60% of the people that are watching this stream right now probably got into crypto, right? I'll be a little bit generous. So I'll go from right here. Probably got into crypto right here or later. Okay, 60% of people probably got into crypto after this line. So you guys haven't really seen a huge dip. Okay, you guys have seen at most, this one was 30%, but I bet a lot of you guys joined after that, right? A lot of you guys probably joined even during this dip or during this big pump up here. So you get the biggest dip you guys have seen is 25% quick dip. So you guys really haven't seen a 30% plus dip. So I totally understand the sentiment right now, but nothing to be worried about, guys. This is not what a top looks like for Bitcoin. A top for Bitcoin looks like this. Okay, let's go to the weekly. I talked about this earlier, but a top for Bitcoin looks like this. This is what a top for Bitcoin looks like. Right? 4 weeks of just absolutely explosive green dildos to the upside, and then just instant pullback. It's called a blow off top. Okay, you don't have tops where you just kind of rig 'em and roll up here, kind of rig 'em and roll. Is that a word, rig 'em and roll? and then you break down, and then all of a sudden, oh, that's the market top. Like that's not how market tops work, guys. It's all psychology, right? The big market movers want to dump on the most retail investors they can. How do they do that? Well, they create a big demand, get the price really, really moving up in a parabolic trend, and then they dump on as many retail investors as they can get. They don't do it on sideways action. That doesn't make sense for them. You know what I mean? So it's all psychology. But yeah, good question, man. Good statement, I should say. Good statement. Musa said, "I'm panicking, man. Don't be panicking. If you don't want to panic, go watch the first 20 minutes of today's stream. I went on a big rant today. So, and I'll continue to go on the rant. I will continue to rant. All right, we got 4 minutes to the close. Let's stick on Bitcoin for this close, guys. Let's see what BTC does here on this close. See if it gets any craziness going on here on this close. BTC diffing. Sell for Saint Taint Moon now. Absolutely, Shaf. Guys, sell all your Bitcoin for Safe Taint Moon right the frick now. Okay, go do it. Safe Taint Moon. Search it up on CoinMarketCap. All right, seriously. Seriously, dude. You said safe panic hodling. I like it. I'm gonna steal that from you, man. Panic hodling. I'm gonna panic hodl.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero. Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Oh, all right. A lot of you guys want VeChain. We'll check out VeChain real quick. Like a ton of you guys are asking about VeChain. I don't know why you guys are asking about VeChain unless it's like really dumping or something. Yeah, man, VeChain's getting a pretty big dump right now. I mean, it's because like VeChain on Bitcoin's first initial dump actually did really freaking well, right? Like VeChain barely dipped on Bitcoin's first initial dump. Just trying to get rid of some of these lines, guys. There we go. On its first initial dump, VeChain did really well, and it's just kind of catching up with the rest of the market now. So I think, this should be a big support area at about 19 cents. You break that, though, you could be coming back down to 15.6. Look for it move back down to 50.6 if you break the support line, which, like I said, we're getting that daily close in 2 minutes, so we could see some big volatility here for all the chain linkers, especially, all the chain linkers. All right, we're to 137 IG. All right, we got to hit. I think we got to hit at least 300 IG followers today. At least 300. Guys, go follow me on IG. All right, I'm going to keep shouting it out until we hit 300. Once we hit 300, I'll shut my mouth. So you guys want me to shut up about the IG? Go follow me over there. Doing a $50 giveaway for anyone, for a random IG follower today. So go check it out. Also guys, I forgot to mention, but real quick while we have 2 seconds. The Crypto Madness tournament is now up, right? The signups are on the Patreon website. Guys, if you want access to the Crypto Madness tournament, go become a Patreon member, okay? Basically what it is exactly like March Madness basketball, college basketball. It's all these 32 altcoins faced up against each other. Each day, right, they battle. The highest winner or the highest gainer moves on to the next round. Each person fills out their bracket. Highest points, you get 1 point per match you get right. Highest points wins the prize. End of this week is a $100 winner for the end of the week. So if you guys want access to this, become a Patreon member, and its access is on the Patreon website, and I also posted it in the Patreon exclusive Discord channel. So go check it out, guys. Pretty cool stuff. This is Crypto Madness V3. Previous 2 winners were Algoape and Prometheus. Who will be the 3rd winner this week? Okay. Patreon link is in the description, guys, if you want to go check it out. Any of the tiers will get you access to the Crypto Madness, but there's also a bunch of different content also on the Patreon page. So like I said, links in the description. All right. And signups for this, guys, is 7 p.m. today till 10 p.m. tomorrow. So 2 streams worth. 7 p.m. today till 10 p.m. tomorrow. So you got a good amount of time to get your submission in. Let's see. All right, let's see. Bitcoin just got its new daily open. So let's see what happens with BTC here. If we're sitting at 51,600 at the moment as we speak. So let's see what happens. See what happens for Captain BTC. Captain BTC, Sergeant Ethereum, and Lieutenant Doge. I think we gotta downgrade Doge. I think Doge has got to be a private now. What do you guys think? Doge a private, or is Doge still going to be a sergeant here? Oh, this is a good vibe song right here. This is good. This is really good. Remember, kids, hodlers smell, but they don't sell. Exactly, Nathan, man. Hodlers sell, but they don't smell. Exactly, dude. Exactly. All right, we're up to 150 IG followers. You guys are absolute studs. We got to hit 300 today, though. We got to hit 300. That's why I'm giving away 50 bucks. I'm going to start doing this every week, right? Every week, I'm going to pick a random IG follower for 50 bucks. So make sure you guys get over there. I'm going to try to, like I said, I'm going to start doing small little snippet videos, probably starting tomorrow over on the IG. Little small videos, more of myself in everyday life, because a lot of you guys probably wonder what I do outside of crypto. Yeah, I just kind of sit here in my room and do nothing. No, I'm actually out doing stuff. So I'll update what I'm kind of doing during the day on my story and things like that. So go follow me over there for if you guys want a little more content or non-crypto related stuff, what's going on with me. All right, BTC. So BTC, we usually see shenanigans at the end of this daily candle, but we're absolutely getting nothing right now. This is kind of weirding me out. I don't know what is going on here. It looks like a potato with like glasses. Like, I don't know. I could have just had a little bit too much beer in me right now, but doesn't it look like a potato with some glasses? That's what I think. That's what I personally think, but who knows? You guys see the potato? Look at the potato. Come on now. Potato, glasses. That's what I see, but you guys could be wrong. All right. So let's go see what else we have here. We had Dennis wanted Bitcoin Cash. Let's do Bitcoin Cash for Dennis. BCH. You have no posts? Yeah, I got no posts yet, man. I just made the IG today. That's why. I literally just made it today. I said starting tomorrow, I'm going to be updating some stuff, what's going on with me and stuff. I just made that freshly today, man. Freshly today. All right, let's get rid of all this because that W pattern didn't end up working out. But you're holding a pretty big support at 841. 841. You break 8. Algo said he's been taking notes with me. Pretty much, man. Pretty much. The potato with glasses. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Been drinking for too much today, guys. Too much today. Not really, though. A lot of it's already gone now. So at this point, I'm just kind of running on fumes. So you're at 841. You break 841. You probably come back down to yeah. You probably come back down to 764, right? Previous high from February 21st. You had a nice support on it from April 14th. So that's probably your support there for Litecoin. Yeah, we'll check it out, man. We'll check it out. All right, yeah. So 841, you break that. 764 is your next support for Bitcoin Cash. Most likely, you're gonna continue down. Looks like Bitcoin is getting a little dumpage as we speak. Just a little dumpage. Nothing too much crazy. Nothing too crazy.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Oh, that's great. That's literally great. Every time. All right. What else have we got here? All right. We had a super chat from Tom come in. He said, "Great show, very balanced." Thanks, Tom. I try to keep it balanced, man. Try to keep it a little funny, a little serious, everything up above. You know, I try my best. I bought 6K Bitcoin at 56K. Not panicking. Thinking of buying more in this dip. Thinking about buying more in this dip. Hypothetically, is 45 to 7K realistic short term? Yeah, I do think if Bitcoin dips, you go back down. You go back down to 45, 47. Hold on, the chat's killing me, man. Hold up. All right, hold up. Here we go. Come on, Jordan, you can do it. All right, yeah. I do think if you dip 45K to 47K is most likely your target for the short term. Just because that's where your 20-week moving average. Your 20-week moving average currently sits at 45,000. But every week that goes by, obviously this is going to move up. So, you know, I think 45,000 to 47,000 is probably where we're going to bounce in my personal opinion, in all seriousness. Just because there's so much confluence in that general area, you know. So, we'll see. Man. You guys want me to play it again? All right.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Just some random guy I find somewhere talking shit about Bitcoin. That's funny. Oh man, and as funny as that video is, someone made that video in 2016. 2016. So how wrong was that guy? How wrong was that guy? So wrong. 2016. All right. So that's that. Steven, rate this Bitcoin brown dildo from 1 to Taco Bell. I'd probably say, you know, it's probably the party pack. The party pack. When I go to, in all seriousness, when I go to Taco Bell, or when I used to go to Taco Bell, when I used to be like kind of chubby, I used to get like the friggin' party pack and demolish the entire thing. In all seriousness, I probably would still do that. Honestly, let's be serious. But I can't. I love me some Taco Bell, man. Now you made me want some, dude. Come on, man. Now I want some T-Bell. All right, guys. All right. So we're at 169 followers on Instagram. Let's get off that awkward 69 thing here. Let's get off 169. All right. We're hitting 300 on today's stream. I'm not getting off until we hit 300 on IG. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. You guys want a $50 giveaway? Go freaking follow me over there. Like I said, I'll be uploading a bunch of stories and short little clips over there starting tomorrow. So go freaking follow me over there, man. So what else do we got? All right. So we got through all these super chats, which is really good. So now we can kind of freestyle a little bit because I'm feeling a little. What is going on here? All right, I gotta show this. I'm dead. I am literally dead. I don't know why I think this is so funny. Hold on. Guys, stop typing in the Discord for 1 second. Actually, no, you guys can type in there. Let me try to get this up here. Hold on. Let me try to get this up here. There we go. Look at this. This is hilarious. I like this. He's trying to pump up the friggin' chart using a pump on the computer. He just needs to dip. It's so true. Come get some safe, Moon Hat.
Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense.
I didn't even play that.
And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
I didn't mean to play that at that time, but hey, I think people like it, but I did not mean to play that audio clip that time. Anyways, let's see what else we got over here in the little Discord over here. If you guys want me to pick your coins from the Discord for free, make sure you guys sign up for the Patreon. It's also a perk of the Patreon, so go check that out over there, guys. Link is in the description for the Patreon down below. Let's see what we got today. Oh, we don't got anything. We're good today. Look at that. Jordan has been on one too many algo ape charts for chimps and classics. My drawings will not be denied. Pretty much algo. Doesn't beat Mr. Potato Head glasses, man. Doesn't beat it, in my opinion. Definitely doesn't beat it. All right. ADA and BNB are the best. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta fill up my cup again. Hold on. Be right back. Be right back. You gotta see them baked. All right. Hold on. Wow, we had no one who left. You guys are studs, man. We had literally no one who left the stream. We actually had more people join when I left, which is pretty crazy. All right, Bitcoin back about 52,000 right now. 52,005. So, I mean, we'll see what it does. I mean, we got a decent close there. I mean, it's not the worst close we've ever gotten in my life. Could be form some type of descending channel here. Couple different touch points on the channel. So we'll see if that ends up playing out. Could be pretty decent. I'm still liking this possible bullish divergence though with lower. So I told you guys if we got a green bounce here, literally green bounce here, we did get lower lows and higher lows on the RSI. So still looking pretty damn good. Still looking pretty damn good in my opinion. So we'll see if that continues to play out. All right, let's see what the Ethereum's doing. Ethereum got a nice bounce, 24.24. Ethereum with a nice little bounce here. Let's take a look at some of the page 2 altcoins. Let's go down here. Look at page 2 altcoins. Serum up 10. Reef. I actually had a lot of people asking me about Reef in the chat. So let's check out what Reef is doing. Reef is. What is going on with Reef? Yeah. I mean, Reef is really just trying to hold this 3.1 cent mark. Really trying to hold that. You break 3.1 cents for Reef, which is probably, at this point, probably likely, to be honest with you guys. You probably come back down to about 2.5 cents for Reef. We had a lot of people ask about Reef in the chat, so that's why I did it. But Aaron said, just joined the stream. Apologies if I already discussed. What's your opinion, expectations on Litecoin? You can check out Litecoin, man. No problem, man. Yeah, we can check it out. Yeah, but Reef just like really trying to hold this 3.1 cent mark. Which interesting for Reef though is you are back above your 4-hour EMA. You can see it was basically your resistance all throughout this area. You have came back down, confirmed it now as support. So that should eventually push you back up to the upside. We'll see if you do continue to hold it, but that's at least good short term, right? Nice volume back right here too, but. We'll see. We'll see. A lot of it has to do with Captain BTC, as we know. You know, if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe, and then we're gonna check out Litecoin here, and then I'll pick a few from the stream, guys. Like, so I do have some extra time here today, so like make sure you guys aren't spamming, right? So if I say I'll check out one from the stream, post yours once. Don't be the guy who spams. If I see you spamming, I'm purposely not gonna pick your coin. All right, so. Just a warning out there. It's not because I don't like you. It's just because I don't like spamming, okay? And if you spam, maybe I don't like it. But, hey, you know, we'll see. All right, Litecoin is, let's see what Litecoin's doing. Litecoin is getting a nice bounce. Same thing as Bitcoin. You really want to hold this 249 area. Looks like you got a nice bounce at that 249 area. Yeah, we'll check it out, man. So you pump back to the upside here. You should have some big resistance at 284 if you do continue up. But I think what you're most likely going to probably do here, what Bitcoin's probably going to do here, is it's probably going to pump back up, retest the top of the 4-hour EMA, and continue down, which will inherently make Litecoin do the exact same thing, right? 4-hour EMA is right here. You probably go up to it and then continue back down. Most likely is probably the most likely scenario here for Litecoin. Your targets next are down here. 240.89 and 233.68 are your next two downwards targets for Litecoin. Thoughts on Nano? Yeah, man. You can check it out. What's the question here, Gare? Cheat once a week. Nice, dude. I'm assuming you're a fitness guy if it's cheat once a week. I hope you're not talking about, wife, but we do. I hope you're not talking about your wife if your name's cheat once a week. But we do. I am developing a coin, guys. I'm developing a coin named Wife Swap, where you can actually cheat once a week because we have a thing where you can swap out your wife. It's decently high gas fees, right? For Ethereum, it's about $100 gas fees per wife swap. But if that's worth it to you, you can swap your wife anytime you want. Make sure you guys go check it out on CoinMarketCap. Like I said, you can literally swap your wife out for as many times as you want for just a $100 gas fee for Ethereum. You also get 10% staking fee if you sign up for Wife Swap. So make sure you guys go sign up for that. You get 10% staking fee. Just kidding, man. But what kind of beer you're drinking, bro? I got some Sam Boston here. Sam Adams Boston, because I'm a Boston guy. I love me some Sam Adams. Now, if it was summertime, I don't think Sam Summer's out yet, but I do love me some Sam Adams Summer. But in all seriousness, if your name's Cheat Once a Week, I hope you're talking about your diet, man. Hope you're talking about your diet. Be a good guy. Be a good guy. Let's pump this channel to the moon. Thanks, man. Appreciate the shout out, dude. I'm trying to have a little bit of fun today. The markets are red. Trying to have a little bit of fun today. I mean, that's what life's about, right? Life's not about panicking about your crypto holdings. Come on, man. I'll short my wife. She said I'll short my wife.
What do you think? We'd like your opinion on it, not financial advice.
Boston guy here as well. What's going on, Kenneth? There's a ton of people up from Massachusetts. Like, I've already met, I want to probably say at least 15 people that watch my channel consistently are from up here near Boston, which is pretty cool. Pretty damn cool. What else we got here? We got, here we go. Holy crap. Super chats are coming in like crazy right now, guys. Thank you guys for the super chats. You guys are insane. Hold on. I'm really far behind now. Hold up. Where am I? We just got a new Patreon, by the way. Thank you for signing up for the Patreon. You're an absolute stud. You get access to the Crypto Madness tournament if you enter a Patreon. Like I said, signups for that are going to be today and tomorrow. So make sure you guys don't miss out on that. $100 prize for first place. Hold on, I forgot where I am. Hold on, guys. I'm a little bit slow right now, so make sure you guys are being patient with me here. Dennis, BCH. We did DCH. We did that one. Rate this Bitcoin from Brownie. That still makes me laugh, man. AK with the $1 super chat. Thank you, man. Appreciate the kind donation with that. Nano. Timothy said wants Nano. So check out Nano. Nano is a pretty hot coin right now. It's getting rejected from its 4-hour EMA. So you keep trying to get back above it, but you keep getting rejected, and you finally just got a big dip right now at this 4-hour EMA. You look left, you should have pretty good support. I don't know why there's two lines right here, but you should have pretty good support. at about this $748 level. Looks like you're trying to get a bounce off of right now. If you break those levels, you do have supports below here at 702, 645, and 596. Those are your next couple targets for Nano. If Bitcoin gets a short-term rally, probably expect it to come back up to this 4-hour EMA, retest it, and then continue its move back down most likely. So you might get somewhat of a relief rally here in the short term. So don't be surprised if you get that.
I want some money at Peter Polizzo.
Crap. That's funny, man.
It's a fraud. It's a Ponzi. I agree completely. I call it a Ponzi with no one in charge.
That's on ALTCOIN. Yeah, well, check out ALTCOIN, man. What else we got? We got Nano. Fourth, what do you think? And like your opinion, not financial advice. Yeah, well, check out Fourth, man. We just got another Patreon. Thanks for signing up for the Patreon. You're an absolute stud. Make sure you guys go follow the IG. We're doing a $50 giveaway for anyone who signs up for the IG. We're going to pick someone random at the end of the stream. We're going to get up to 300 followers, though. We got to get up to 300 followers. We're at 180 right now. So we're getting there. We're making progress. So go follow me on IG if you haven't already. $50 giveaway. Fourth, what is going on for Fourth? I think you asked about this yesterday too. I didn't know which Fourth you were talking about because there's a couple. There's Ample Fourth. So Fourth is Ample Fourth government token. It's not coming up on. Yeah, it's not coming up on anything. All I can see is really this chart here, and it looks like it's just kind of consolidating here. Fourth is a native governance token that powers Ample Fourth, a protocol that adjusts the supply of its native token, Ample Fourth, in response to demand. So it's basically the token of Ample Fourth. But yeah, it looks like it's just consolidating down. Looks like I have a general resistance line. I can't look at the charts because it doesn't pop up, but it has a general resistance line coming down here. So once you break that, you probably break to the upside. But could be interesting token here. If you like Ample Fourth, could be a decent play for you. For sure, man. Ample Fourth. And then we had... let's pump this channel for the memes. Thank you, Peter. Appreciate it, man. Captain, can you check out XVG? Check out XVG. Let me ban this fake Jordan Cameron here. That's not me, guys. If anyone on my channel asks you for your stupid phone, like post a stupid phone number or the WhatsApp, that's not me. Let me ban that stupid Jordan Cameron guy. There we go. Let's see. So XVG Verge. What's going on XVG Verge? Yeah. So XVG Verge, this one looks like it was in a symmetrical triangle pattern here, like this, and it looks like you actually ended up breaking that to the downside on this last couple 4-hour candles. So look for a support at about this area where you're at right now. You break this area, could be coming back down to test this bottom here at 4.7 cents. And then after that, this bottom here at about 4.4 cents. So those are your next two targets looking down. But obviously you broke out of the symmetrical triangle, so it should be pretty bearish short term here. Especially with the macro, aka Bitcoin, coming back down as well, So that's BTC. Everyone asking for Bonfire. You guys in the Bonfire. Is this the new Safe Moon, Safe Taint, Safe Mars, Elongate? Is this the new meme token here? Is Bonfire? Maybe I'm making that up. I don't know, but XVG is pure scam. Could be. I mean, the chart looks pretty consistent. Doesn't look like it's a straight line up. It looks like it's pretty consistent here. All right, let's see. Isaac wanted Sol. Yeah, check out Solana. I know Solana's doing absolutely nuts right now. Like, for whatever reason, Solana is just not following the market. You just keep getting nice bounces off your 4-hour moving average. You're just so short-term bullish here. like Solana is just going off. So I guess for the first coin in a long time, maybe we have to look at upside targets for Solana, which is crazy to think about considering, you know, how bearish the market has really been lately, you know? So I guess we can look at it. Let's take our last big dip, which was from here to downward here. You can see right now, it looks like we're getting some resistance at our 1.618 Fibonacci. If we look up higher here, next target should be, if we could do continue up, obviously. I don't know if Solana continues this run against Bitcoin, but I'm already at 48 bucks. Looks like your next target for Solana if you do continue up based on your Fibonacci extension. So Solana just looking really good, man. Really good. I don't know why it's doing that, but just like, you know, defying the crypto market at the moment. Look like Bitcoin just bounced off lower trend on one day. Yeah, Bitcoin bounced nicely off the 51,264 area. Not really convinced yet. It's not too big of a bounce, right? I mean, we got it's really only a 1.5% bounce, so it's nothing crazy yet, but definitely could see the sentiment. But I mean, I do think we continue lower here. It's most likely, you guys can see every single time we dip, we always dip, we come back down to this trend line. We always come back up to retest the 4-hour moving average and then just continue lower, right? So I won't be surprised if we get a little bit short-term rally here, maybe come back up, touch this. Everyone's going to get super bullish during this time, right? Everyone's going to be like, oh, we're going back up to 60K. And then, nope, we get rejected from the 4-hour, continue back down. That's most likely what's going to happen here. But who knows? Who knows? I will be gladly wrong if we start pumping here again. But I don't think we've hit the bottom yet, personally. And I bet a lot of people don't. I bet a lot of people probably agree with me. I think we're going lower, you know? Sold Bitcoin. Can you check out Harmony 1? You check out Harmony 1. Love me some Harmony 1. I don't own Harmony 1, but if we keep doing this dips, I'm gonna have to be starting spending some of my spare cash here. Especially if we keep seeing dips like this. It's crazy. Yeah, I mean, Harmony 1 continues to remain in this downwards channel. Looks like you're retesting the bottom right now, or you came back down to the bottom. You can adjust this a little bit up like this. Yeah, you're retesting the bottom right now as you speak. So look for, I mean, probably a bounce back up to your 4-hour EMA, just like Bitcoin we talked about, like keep getting rejected from that level. So this does continue down. Maybe you come back test this and continue down lower. But ultimately for Harmony, you definitely want to stay in this channel. If you break down below it, you could be seeing some slight blood in the streets. You're at a pretty critical level right now, actually, right? Previous high and support here from back in March. You break down below that for Harmony 1, could be coming back down to lower levels at like 7.6 cents. So we'll see. We'll see. You could be seeing a lot lower levels there. For sure, dude. We can get rid of these, though. Those are going to start pissing me off for some reason. All right. So that's Harmony 1. Peter said, want some more money? Appreciate you, Peter, man. You're an absolute stud muffin, man. Stud freaking muffin. Martin said, thoughts on ALTCOIN. Check out ALTCOIN from Martin here. AMP. What's going on with AMP? So AMP, we know we broke out of this symmetrical triangle we had up here. Now we continue down. It looks like based on the volume, you're probably in more of a descending triangle. If you draw it like this, you can see you have pretty flat line of support here, and you have a downward sloping resistance line. So this thing technically has to break, it looks like, probably by April 25th at noon, it looks like. So you probably have 3 more days of consolidation here before you either have to see a move back to the upside or the downside. Now, we know a descending triangle is typically a bearish pattern. So if you do break to the downside, look for a move probably back down based on support and resistance to probably 4.2 cents, it looks like, as your next big level of support if you do break down. So we'll continue to monitor this. If you do break up, you know, magically you break up for some reason, next target is your 1.618 fib at 7.9 cents coming up next. So that is AMP token. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys do not forget to subscribe. We're trying to hit 27,000 followers by the end of this week. We're getting pretty damn close here. We're pushing 26,600 right now. We only need 400 more by the end of this week. I think we're actually going to crush that goal. We're actually going to crush the $30,000 goal by the end of this month. Things are looking good. Thank you guys for the support always. It's all because of you guys, honestly. Man. Might have to take a little, take a loo break at some point. Not a loo break, but yeah, I guess you can call it a loo break at some point, but we'll figure it out. So we did AMP. Shaf said, I want some money. Peter Palazzo. Thank you, Shaf. Appreciate it, man. Thor S said, I like money. How's Thorchain? I know it's been a good run up past month. Going to see a correction. By the way, hit like if you want coins reviewed. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, dude. Thorchain. I mean, Thorchain's been doing really good, man. I do have to say. Thorchain. Yeah, I mean, Thorchain's been crushing it, man. Looks like it's probably just consolidating for another move, man. I mean, you look at this, you got a nice kind of symmetrical triangle starting to form here. This thing's got a break by, looks like April 26th. So you got possibly 4 days more consolidation here. Now, if you were to break this to the upside for whatever reason, like if we just see it completely defy the odds of Bitcoin, you extrapolate this up, it's going to put your measure move target upwards of like 22 bucks. If you break this to the downside, man, could be coming back down to like 1067. It's got another Patreon, by the way, that actually makes 4 Patreons on the stream. So thank you guys for joining the Patreon. If you need anything, send me a message over there. But you should see everything you need on the first page. So that's Thorchain. Upwards target 2218. Downwards target 1067. Maker up to opinion. Hit like if you can't donate. Thank you, Thor. Appreciate the shout out, man. You guys are freaking sweet, dude. Jason said, "What are your thoughts on API 3?" I don't think I've ever looked at API 3, so let's check it out, man. API 3. What is going on with this thing? I never actually heard of it, man. Let's see. So you broke this level I probably didn't want to break, right? You broke your 2 tops here. Broke it to the downside. As far as short-term stuff, I mean, there's not a lot going on here. You mostly just want to hold. You really want to hold just this bottom here at 683. And if you break 683, could be coming back down to about 608, it's looking like. So those are your next 2 supports looking down. Your top side, you don't really have much going on your top side here. Other than, maybe some support resistance line coming across like this. But, I mean, you're so far removed from that now. I think you probably just continue down, especially with the bearish trend that we have going on right now in the macro, which is Bitcoin, So this is definitely slightly going down, but don't panic. Don't panic.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Don't be panicking, man. Thor said Maker. What's Maker up to, man? Maker looked pretty good. I think I saw on CoinMarketCap today, Maker was doing pretty freaking good if I remember correctly. Maker, get a good chart here. There we go. Yeah, so you got a nice another good bounce off your 4-hour EMA. Also got a nice bounce. So look at this confluence, right? So your 4-hour EMA bounce off of it was exactly at your previous local top here. Just a perfect bounce right off that level. Like that's so textbook there. That is so freaking textbook. So if you were to continue up here, next target's 5,331 for Maker. So it's pretty freaking awesome, man. Pretty freaking awesome. So Maker is one of the only coins that we actually have to look at for upside targets right now, which is pretty freaking insane. You know what I mean? Like most of them we're looking at downside targets. Downside target, if you wanted to know where your downside target was, you're probably looking right here at about 3,185 if you were to break down. But Maker's looking super strong comparative to everything else right now. It's absolutely crazy. Maker doesn't give a crap what Bitcoin does right now. Maker's just giving them the middle finger, dude. Maker's just saying.
Nope. Nope.
So, Maker's looking good, man. BTC, just chilling right now. BTC is just like taking a little nap. All right. Jordan with Jordan Dasuski. You have the best name in the game, man. Congrats on you getting born. You getting named Jordan, right? You were instantly when you came into this earth, you were blessed. You were blessed with the name Jordan. I just really freaking awesome, Jordan. So congrats. Thank you for the $1 super chat, man. Jordan can be a girl or a guy, honestly. I actually know more girl Jordans than I do guy Jordans. But thank you for the $1 super chat. You're an absolute stud muffin. You can use stud muffin as a girl or a guy, so whatever. Thank you, though. Eden, is Bitcoin crashing to 30K? No. Lowest Bitcoin goes, if we continue in the bull trend, is 45K. If we dip below 45K, then we could start looking at some bearish targets. But 45K is the lowest I see it going, personally, man. 30K is not happening, man. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy, dude. Craziness, man. All right. Anchor Polygon, please. Yeah, we can check out Algo wanted Anchor, so let's check out Anchor. Anchor. What's going on, everyone? You guys having a good Thursday today? I hope you guys are seriously, like, as I stated in the beginning, I hope you guys aren't like panicking like crazy, you know. Yeah, Anchor, you broke below your support, so you did break this ascending triangle pattern. What I probably see happening now is you probably get a relief rally to retest this as resistance, and then you do continue back down here. Probably back down to your next target, which is 11.8 cents. You break 11.8 cents, you can come all the way back down to 8.4 cents. You definitely don't want to break 11.8 cents. That's pretty much Anchor. If you do pump here, you get back into the triangle, all is good. But you don't want to get rejected if you get a relief rally there. Get rejected there. What's your thoughts on BTT? Captain Devil with a $10 super chat. Thank you, Captain. BTT? That's funny, man. You drop more knowledge than other people drop over a 4-hour live stream in 10 minutes. Thanks, though. I try, man. I try, dude. Thanks for the kind words, man. Kind words go 1,000 different ways, as I always say. They really do. Guys, go follow me on IG. $50 giveaway. $50 freaking giveaway at the end of the stream. We're now at 195. We have to hit 300. We're going to easily hit 300. I don't think we have any problems hit 300 in IG followers. Link is in the description. Go freaking follow me over there. I'm going to be uploading a bunch of different stories and stuff like that over there. So once we hit 300, I'll shut out about it. Like I said, I will shut my big mouth about Instagram. But go follow me over there. 300 followers is the goal for today. $50 giveaway for a random Instagram follower. Okay? Links in the description and in the chat right there. So BTT. Damn. BTT, we broke really... Wow, look at that drop for BTT. So we broke out of this descending wedge. Really big, right? This is a big freaking downwards green dildo. Drop almost 15% in 1 4-hour candle. That's crazy. You are getting a bounce off this support line we had here at about 6.1 cents, though. So if you do, I mean, what's probably likely here, you get a relief rally, you know, bounce off this, and then continue lower. Your target for lower... Probably look for support at about 0.48 cents for BTT. Probably, but we shall see. We shall see. You know, so ban. Like usually this is a bearish, a bullish pattern. You actually broke it to the downside heavily. 15% dip. That's crazy in 1 4-hour candle. Literally crazy. Thor. What's going on, Thor S, man? you're such a nice dude, Thor. Like, you really are, man. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome, man. All right. Yeah, guys, if you haven't signed up for the Crypto Madness tournament, if you guys are just... So I keep repeating stuff for people that haven't heard, but if you haven't signed up for the Crypto Madness tournament, that is also up, Crypto Madness V3. If you guys are Patreon, go sign up. Sign-ups are today and tomorrow. Ends tomorrow at the end of the stream at 10 o'clock. So make sure you guys go sign up for that. Links on the Patreon and on the Patreon section on the Discord. Let's see. All right, guys. It might be time. It might be almost time for me to take a little. I plan on doing a 3-hour stream today. I plan on being until 10. So it's almost time for me to take a little loo break. 2-second loo break, but how do I set a loo break? That's funny, man. That's funny. Not tonight, man. Not tonight. Shaf said, would you mind zooming out on the Bitcoin one-day chart to see if I'm crazy or if we are sitting, excuse me, sitting on a long-term upward trend support line? Sure, dude. Can do that. Zoom out on the one-day daily chart, upward support line. I'm assuming you're probably going to talk about maybe this one. I don't know, dude. I don't see any upward support line, man. I don't. You did have one right here, but that one broke to the downside. I think it was on the more on the 4-hour chart. But you did have one more so somewhere around this area. I forget where it was, but you did have one here, but I don't see any upward support line, man. I don't see any upward support line. Maybe I'm just blind though. Forgot to add the text last time. You got it, Jordan. Check the graph. You got it, dude. Or woman. I don't know if you're a girl or a guy, honestly. With the name Jordan. Like I said, I know more girl Jordans than I do guy Jordans. So, GRT, you broke out of the falling channel, and now you're right back in it. So, unfortunately,
That's an XLM stablecoin.
back into the XLL stablecoin territory for the graph. Literally just stuck in between in this range of like right around 170 or like like 170. You just can't break that general range. So now you dipped below some pretty big levels. I'm just gonna get rid of that because that's honestly unnecessary now. For GRT though, looks like in the short term you are forming a falling channel. So you do have that in the short term, but I don't know how long you're gonna last in there. So you fall down a little lower. You could have some support right here at about 132. Then you break 132. Yeah, could get a little dangerous there. You don't really have any support until like 102. So the graph looking like it wants to hold a couple big supports coming up for the graph for sure. For sure. All right, so they did the graph. Starting to draw your lines like Apple used to. Yeah, I mean, someone said there was a line on the one-day chart. I tried to find it, wasn't there, but surely, dude. Jazz. J-Rock, can you check out IGG? Sure, dude. IGG. It's not on that chart, so let's check if it's on CoinTrader Pro. I'm assuming it's IG Gold, Instagram Gold apparently. IG Gold. Let's see. On the daily, there probably is going to be some sort of So on the daily, it looks like a nice bull flag. But as we know, if Bitcoin dips, you're probably going to see a lot of these coins dip. But On the daily, this does look like a nice bull flag where technically, like if we were still like in super bullish conditions, your measure move target would be 0.7 cents. Unfortunately, we're slightly bearish in the macro sense. So you could be coming back down to, this is a big level, right? A couple wicks at this area. You don't want to break 2.22 cents. You break that, I mean, you definitely could be coming a little bit lower, maybe to candle body highs at 1.8, and then after that, you got all the way down here at 1.1. So, damn, dude, like you could be coming a lot lower. But generally speaking, this is a bullish pattern here. But as you guys know, the macro is bearish, so we got to take this with a slight grain of salt. You know what I mean? It's definitely a slight grain of salt. Let's see where we're at. We got 220. We only got 80. We only need 80 more followers, guys, to hit 300 on IG. Go follow me on IG. Links in the description. We got 1,200 people in here. We should easily be able to beat that $300 goal. $50 giveaway for a random IG follower. Links in the description. Links in the chat right there. Go give me a quick follow. I'm going to be posting a bunch of content over on IG. All right. So that is IG Gold. It's a nice little pun. So go follow me on IG. We're looking at IG Gold. Let's see. This is on Qcoin. Okay. Oh, I see it. I see Shaf. Yeah, I can kind of see it. Definitely interesting. I think we go lower personally, dude, but I can definitely see the sentiment you're seeing. Definitely interesting line, man.
Jordan, can you look at XLM? I felt like we had a nice inverse head and shoulder and Bitcoin ruined it earlier.
Head and shoulder? Yeah, Jim, I'll definitely look at XLM for you. Nice head and shoulder, and Bitcoin ruined it. Yeah, that seems to be the case, Jim, you know?
For it to dip a little bit more in the 40s. Will it to that low again? Where is best buying point?
Northwest. I'm going to go buy a full Bitcoin. Should I wait for a dip to buy a little more in the 40s? Will it go that low? Going, where's the best point? Yeah, I can take a look at that, man. I'm going to take a quick bathroom break. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I will be right back. I will not leave you guys hanging. Trust me. All right. I'll keep it on Bitcoin real quick here for a second, and I'll be right back. All right. Hey, we're back. You guys missed me for that 2 seconds? I bet you guys missed me. I bet Algo missed me. I bet Jazz missed me. What's going on my, There we go. All right. Let's get back into some of these super chats here. We had, Jim, who wanted nice inverse head and shoulders on XLM. Bitcoin ruined it. Yeah, that tends to be the case, man. Definitely tends to be the case with these type of market conditions. You know what I mean? It's a little bit. So what you want in an inverse head and shoulders, you want your head. So typically on an inverse head and shoulders, just a quick lesson for you guys. You want your shoulder. You want your two shoulder. This is gonna look so wrong. I guarantee you, I'm not drawing what I think you want. So you want your two shoulders to be to be to be below below your head, right? So you want your shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder here, and that's how you want your inverse head and shoulders to look like. All right, and you want to break the neckline here. So in order to break it out, you want to break your neckline, and then basically your measure move target is from your top top to your bottom. All right, at your break, you put that at your breakout point. That gives you your measure move. You always want the two shoulders to be lower than the head. Okay, same thing with a head and shoulders pattern. You want you want your head. You want your head to be bigger or over your inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? Because I always get a ton of questions about, what should my head and shoulders pattern look like? What should my inverse head and shoulders pattern look like? Yeah. So head and shoulders pattern, which is bearish, you should have your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder, right? So that's what a head and shoulders pattern looks like. You want to break your neckline, and then that continues down, right? So just a quick look at that, You guys are too funny, man. You guys, see, sometimes I try to be serious, and then you guys just make me laugh, like, a lot. Yeah, I said I'll break my neck for that. That's funny. All right. Anyways, XLM, yeah, but XLM, like I wouldn't call that a inverse head and shoulders pattern, but you did break so you had 3 touches here. You had 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. You broke that to the downside, unfortunately. So it looks like you broke this next support too at 45 cents. So XLM is no longer a stable coin, guys. XLM is a dumperoo coin. And the next support, looking at 43 cents. And then after that, you're looking at 40 cents for XLM. But XLM looking slightly a little bearish at the moment for sure. For sure. It looks like you're also dipping below your falling wedge, right? Your falling wedge. So you dip below that, you're going to 43 cents. You guys are too funny, man. The Follis indicator. Oh man. So like another example of a head and shoulders pattern is right here, guys. Left shoulder, your head, and like this is kind of awkward, but your right shoulder. See how your shoulders are below your head? That's how you want it to be, right? That's how you want it to be. Man. Northwest, I am going to buy a full Bitcoin. There you go, man. That's some real boss move stuff there. Should I wait for it to dip a little bit more in the 40s? Will it to that low again? All right, I thought I just couldn't read, but will it go that low again? Where is the best buy point? 45K is the lowest I see going personally. So I don't know if it'll get there, but I think if it were to dip a little bit more, I think 45K would be the general area where you should probably be looking for a bounce. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I mean, you buying a full book Bitcoin, man, that's freaking awesome, man. Like that's how you're gonna make a true transformation in your life. Like that's like a big step. Like I'm super happy for you, man. Super happy for you. All right, we're at 232 IG followers. We only need 68 more. 68 more. Go follow me on IG, guys. Go follow me on IG. I'm spamming the IG thing until we hit 300. Once we hit 300, I'll stop spamming it. But go follow me on IG. $50 giveaway for a random IG follower at the end of the stream today. Okay? Random IG follower, $50 giveaway. All you got to do is follow me, okay? And don't be those guys. Like, if you're going to be one of those guys who just unfollows me after, don't go follow me. I will be posting a bunch of content on there, so it's not like I'm just going to be chilling on there. But, yeah, make sure you guys go follow me over there, all right? You guys will be able to see me in Miami and stuff on my story. D-Menicor, do you think it's a good time to buy H-bar? I mean, it's probably a good time to buy everything, man. I mean, everything is very much down. Just by looking at the chart, yeah, it's probably a good time to buy, dude. Like from your highs, you are down 44%. So you really can't ask for more than that, man. Like if you go lower than this, that's just cake, right? That's just pure cake. You should be lucky to even get a 44% discount on H bar right now. That's crazy, you know? That's literally crazy. So look for 24 cents to be support, and then after that 18 cents for Hedera hash graph. But these are the next two levels you could be going to, but you can't really, like, you got to take what you get. You can't be asking for more than a 44% dip. Like, that's already a huge discount. Like, if you, all right, think about it this way, right? So I think a lot of you guys are mistaken what I'm saying. When we were going up right here, you guys would have been begging for a 44% discount. We would have been up here. You guys would have been like, are we going to get a 44%? If you get a 40% discount, I'm going to sell my house. I'm going to sell my car. I'm going to put everything I can put into crypto if we get a 44% discount. And now we're getting that 44% discount, and all of a sudden now everyone's scared to buy, right? So just saying, like, that's really what you want. It's really what you want to be doing right now. Man, it's too much, dude. Too much. But yeah, like, these are the times you want to be putting money into the market. This is where the real money is made in crypto, right? This is where the real money is made. Because, like, if you buy these dips and it goes up higher, you're exponentially increasing your gains over time, you know? People, like what P. Del Away was saying here. People were literally begging, like, oh, if Bitcoin ever, like I already said this earlier in stream, but I feel like going on another rant here because I'm seeing a bunch of things in the chat here, and it's slightly worrisome. Slightly worrisome. People were begging when we were up here in the 60Ks, right, for all these dips. People were like, oh, like I hope we get another dip. I will beg for another dip. I will give up everything for another dip. I will buy so much crypto if we have another big dip. And now we're getting it, and all of a sudden everyone wants to sell, right? It's the logic is so backwards. Do I have to bring up the SpongeBob meme again? I'm bringing up the SpongeBob meme again.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero!
Let's say I do the 1K euro on the altcoin that's now huge recently. What would you do? Obviously not trading advice. It's hypothetical. Tell me now.
Yeah, we'll take a look at it. JB said, should I buy more Digibyte? Oh, let's see what Digibyte's down. If it's down more than my general rules, 20% more dip or more, I'm buying more if I believe in a coin. But I'm sure it's down 20% or more. Let's see. From its highs, it is down. Yeah, it's down 26%. So in my opinion, I would buy more. Obviously, guys, do your own research. Don't listen to everything I say. This is all just my opinions. I would probably scoop up more. You could come down lower. You could come down to 11 cents, 9 cents. But in the grand scheme of things, if you're holding it for the long term, is that really going to matter? Probably not. Probably not. But you definitely could come lower here. You definitely could come at least to 11 cents, if not 9 cents, like I said. Let's say I do a 1K YOLO on an altcoin that's dumped huge recently. What would you do? Obviously not trading advice. It's hypothetical. A 1K YOLO? I'm not a big fan of the YOLOs, man. I'm more of a fan of investing into the smarter altcoins. I mean, if you want to do a 1K YOLO, I mean, I'm not a big fan of YOLO, so I'm not going to comment there, man. I'm not going to comment. Like, if I like, I'll tell you what my top 5 coins. You can do your own research. I'm invested in a lot of other altcoins, right? So I do have some YOLOs. I do have some coins that are down pretty big right now, but I do expect to pump back up at the end of this bull market. But you stick with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano, and VeChain at the end of this bull market, you will not regret it, in my opinion. Cheat once a week said, when you come to Florida, hit me up, bro. Yeah, man. I mean, join the Discord. Remind me, man. Send me a message. I'll definitely hit you up. I'm going down to the Miami area, so definitely, dude. Hit me up on Discord, dude. If you guys want to join the Discord, links up in the description too, by the way. You know, so for sure, man. Look up CXC on CoinMarketCap. Major fraud or illegal? Never heard of it.
Look up CXC on CoinMarketCap. Major fraud or illegal.
CXC, capital C cell. I did hear this. I did hear about this today. This thing absolutely mooned today. Like this thing did like 1,000,000% gains or something like that. I think someone told me about this. Or I think Algo told me about this earlier today. Like this thing absolutely went ham. Let's see if it's on. I don't know if it's on. Yeah, it is. Like, holy crap, dude. Like, if you were somehow invested in this for whatever reason, like, you are literally a billionaire. Like, if you had 10... So this thing went up 3 million. Yeah, 3,000,089. Yeah, dude, this thing went up 3 million%. So if you invested $100 in this thing, you are literally a billionaire. That's freaking crazy, dude. Something definitely fishy happened with this. I don't know what happened with it, but definitely something fishy happened with this coin, dude. Up 3 million% in a day. Something happened there. I don't know. That's crazy, dude. Like, you were literally a millionaire. If you literally invested $100 in this thing, you were literally a millionaire. Or sorry, a billionaire. It's crazy, dude. Crazy, man. That's gotta be the biggest dildo. That's gotta be the biggest dildo ever. This has to be history. There's no way that anything has pumped this big before. There's got to be some type of fraud or something going on with this. Like, it actually went up 3,600%. 3,600,000,000%. Like, this has got to be the biggest green dildo ever recorded in human history. Bigger than any green dildo, red dildo, brown dildo, any dildo. This is the biggest dildo that's ever been made. Freaking crazy, man. This will probably something will probably happen with this though, but that's crazy, man. All right. Let's see. Junk Bond Trader said, thanks for the streams. 1,200 viewers, 575 likes. It's easy to click, y'all. Thanks for the shout out, Junk Bond. You're an absolute stud, man. Glad you guys are enjoying the stream. Like I said, as always, like from the beginning, dude, I'm just a guy who likes looking at charts and hanging out, man. And I think that's why a lot of you guys like watching, because I'm just a guy who likes sitting here looking at charts. I do make slightly inappropriate jokes, and I just like to hang out, man. So, it's what it is. Thor S, it's my throwaway cash. Thanks, Thor, man. Put some of that cash into crypto, though, dude. Buy some of these dips. I'm sure you are. But, yeah, man. Northwest has super chat at $4.99. Just subscribed. We are pretty sure it will keep going down. I will buy in at 48K. I don't want to wait too long and go back up to 60K plus. Yeah, so who knows when it's going to bounce? No, I don't think anyone in their right mind doesn't know when it's actually going to bounce. It's more so it can possibly go down to 45K. Not tradable either, Ash. That's crazy. That coin is absolutely crazy, though. Like I've never seen anything like that in my life in crypto, and I've been around crypto for over 4 years now. Like that's literally insane. I've never seen anything like that. But yeah, the lowest I see it going is 45K. That's where our 20-week moving average is. If I were you, if I was looking to get in, I'd probably put buy orders, staggered so you don't miss out. I'd probably put a buy order, maybe at 50K, puts a buy order at 47K, and then maybe put a buy order at 45K. Kind of the opposite of kind of taking profits at a higher highs, right? Your dollar cost averaging down, right? It's the same kind of principle. So That's probably what I would do, but obviously do what you want to do. 45K is probably the lowest that it goes, though, in my opinion. All right. So we did all that. That's good. Let's see where we're at. See where we're at the old IG here. 266. Guys, we only need 34 more followers, guys. 34. 34 more followers. Can we do it on IG? Link is in the description. I'm posting it here in the chat too. Once we hit 300, I'll shut my big freaking mouth about it. All right. But we got to hit 300 because I am giving away 50 bucks. All right. I'll pick it at the end of the stream. All right. So let's see. Animal said, don't worry about the bounce. Just buy in sections. Like if you want to put in 1K, split them up and each step down. Exactly. Just like I said, like stair step your buy orders. Put one at 50,000, 47,000, 45,000. Buy when you feel like it might bounce. You know, that makes a lot of sense. Exactly, man. I couldn't have worded it better myself, man. Couldn't have do it. Sometimes you guys word things better than I do, you know? But we generally have the same kind of thoughts on this channel, you know what I mean? The same kind of thoughts. All right. Damn. The Sam Adams is hitting the spot tonight, though. It really is. It really is. It's not as good as some draft. I mean, obviously, I got the friggin' bottles. It's not as good as the draft that I had earlier, but it's still pretty freaking good, man. Can't beat a nice cold beer. Wish it was a little nicer out. Had the windows open, you know, nice breeze in here, but unfortunately, it's a little chilly up here in New England today. It's about 40. It might be in the 30s now. It's nighttime, but time to get some Harmony 1 50% discount. I mean, yeah, now's the time to buy. We're seeing Bitcoin actually right now test this support again. So we'll see what Bitcoin does here. We could be seeing a little bit of a dippage here for BTC in the short term, everyone. So make sure you guys have your eyes glued to the channel. And I don't know why I said it like that. I sound like an old man. Have your eyes glued to the screen here, and we'll see what happens here in the short term. All right, 271. We're getting pretty close to 300, guys. We're getting pretty freaking close to 300. Post it one more time in there. Go follow me on IG. We got to hit 300. We got to hit 300. All right. They got a Calvin Harris song on here? Damn. It's pretty nice. All right, Bitcoin just broke a big level, guys. 51,772. We are might be starting to dip back, maybe back down to 50,000 now. Just broke our 2 wicks. You guys can see our 2 wicks right here from April 18th and April 22nd. We actually just broke those. So let's see if this ends up starting a little bit of a dippage here. Definitely could be in the short term. Let's freaking see what we got going on here for Captain BTC, who leads the entire market, unfortunately, you know? Unfortunately. All right, now we wicked back up. So we got a temporary bounce back up. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. All right, we're so freaking close over there on IG, guys. I really don't want to start talking about it, but we got to hit 300. That was my goal for the stream, for the giveaway, right? Giving away 50 bucks, so at least got to get 300 followers on there out of it. You know what I mean? So, all right. Let's see what BTC does here. Algo said I should consolidate ZIL into VeChain, asking for drunken financial advice. It's pretty funny, man. Yeah, I mean, ZIL into VeChain, I would always recommend ZIL over VeChain. I don't know how much ZIL is necessarily down. Let's take a look at ZIL real quick. I'm not really sure. So ZIL's had a big dip. The problem with what you're trying to do, Algo, is Zill's down 36%. So you switching over to VeChain right now, you're switching over a coin that's down 36% into a coin that's down about 10-15%. So like, it's kind of like counterintuitive, you know what I mean? I mean, like, I'd rather in VeChain, just because VeChain looks like it's holding up a little bit better right now, even though it is dumping right now, 18 cents. Now, I mean, this is a big discount on VeChain. I mean, it's down 33%. I guess at this point, the point is pretty null. I'd probably just rather be in whatever coin you believe in long term the most. I believe probably in more of I like Zill, but I obviously am invested in VeChain, so I believe in VeChain more. I'd rather be in VeChain, but do whatever works for you. I mean, if it's worth whatever the fees are to swap it over, I mean, I'd probably do it, man. Because you're like after this dip, you're not going to see these levels for VeChain again. Like, you're getting VeChain at 18 cents, 33% discount. Like, it's crazy, man. Crazy. Will BNB bounce back? Absolutely, absolutely. BNB is one of the strongest coins in this bull market so far. Like, look at where it is right now. It bounced all the way back to number 3, or all the way up to number 3 on CoinMarketCap. Like, one of the strongest players in this bull market. Obviously, the biggest exchange there is for crypto. Like, it's BNB is not going anywhere. It'll bounce back. It'll bounce back. Orasol said, I'm eating moon boy pie over here. That's a better boy, dude. That's how you do it.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Hopefully soon we can start playing strap up or going to the moon again. Unfortunately, we have to play more of
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
but hopefully we can switch back to, you know, after we get our next bounce at some point, whenever we do, we can start playing strap up or going to the moon at some point again. Unfortunately, we're stuck in a little bit of bearish territory right now. But Bitcoin is breaking, like I said, a pretty big area right now. Could be coming back down to about 50,230 right now as we speak, everyone. So if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys smack that freaking subscribe button. It's right down below and it takes 2 seconds. Appreciate all you guys. I'm here every day from 7 to 10 p.m. So that would be pretty freaking awesome. But yeah, 51,000 right now. Bitcoin dipping. Probably look for next support at 50,230 if we do continue to dip here for BTC. All right. But like I said earlier in the stream, guys, everyone calm down. Everything is all good unless we break that 20-week moving average. If we break that 20-week moving average, then we can start, you know, looking at some bearish targets, maybe looking at a longer-term bear market. But until we break that level, we got to calm down. Remember to look back at 2017. We came back to that 20-week moving average 9 times, 9 freaking times, and held it and continued up higher. So there's nothing to worry about. Calm your horses. You guys see me. I have a lot of money invested in crypto, all right? You don't see me or panicking. You see me here drinking some Sam Adams and chilling. You know what I mean? So calm your horses. Everything's good unless we break that 20-week moving average, all right? So that's that, all right? I don't know who to trust. Hey, like, I'm telling you my opinion. You do whatever you want to do. I'm just saying, if you sell now and it gets a big bounce, don't come crying to me saying, oh, I just missed out on 20% of my portfolio because I sold at 50,000 and the next day it bounced back up to 57,000. You know what I mean? Just don't come crying to me when that happens. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
Can we take a look at band PLS? Thanks.
Yeah, we can take out a band. All right, guys, we're 12 followers away on IG. Go follow me over there. I'm going to stop shilling it. I'm not really shilling it. I mean, I am doing a giveaway, so, I mean, I guess I deserve to shill it. But we're only 12 followers away over there, so go follow me. Great advice. Yeah, I mean, sometimes I got to give you guys hopium. I mean, sometimes people, I get it. A lot, like I said earlier in the stream, like a lot of people are newer to the market here and freak out a little bit when we get these dips. But there's really no reason to panic. There really is no reason to panic. So that's what, I mean, that's part of the reason why I'm here, to give you guys some calming advice. You know, just we see these type of things all the time in crypto. Crypto's way different than stocks, way different than anything else, where, you know, like I said earlier, you see a 30% dip in the stock market, people are panicking. People are like, this is freaking crazy. You see a 30% dip in crypto, Happens all the time, right? It is what it is. How long did the highest small dump last in 2017? Yeah, I mean, we can look at that, man. I mean, in 2017, like, I can circle all the times we had big dumps. So everything I'm circling right here was a 30% dump, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There was more. There was one right here. That was a 30% dump. I'm missing one because I know there was. I think there was not. I think pretty sure there was 9. Maybe they count this one, but really at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 30% dumps in the 2017 bull market. Each one of them, besides this one right here, coming back down to the 20-week moving average, holding it, and then continuing up. Each one was literally took 1 week of dumpage and then 1 week of pumpage. You know, like 1 week you dumped out to 20-week moving average. 1 week after, you were way above that previous candle. So even if you do pump, it's literally short lasted. It's going to be a blip on the radar. Nothing to worry about in the longer term, guys. This is all noise. It's literally all noise. Literally all noise. Like I said, when in doubt, go to the monthly chart. You know, like does this look bearish in the monthly chart? You have one red candle. 2017, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles in the 2017 bull market. You haven't had one in this like really where you started going. You haven't had one, right? So no reason to panic. Zero reason to panic. What? This is the weird song again. This song always comes on, man. There we go. I don't know what any of this means. All right, we'll see where we are on IG. We'll see where we are on IG. Come on, IG. Bitcoin to 44K. Bitcoin to 45K. 45K. I mean, technically our moving average sits at 45,200 right now. But, 45K is the sweet spot I'm looking for that nice, juicy little bounce there. That juicy little Bitcoin bounce. But we just did break 51,000 again. Let's see if we get that dumpage. What happened? Congrats on 300 followers. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'll shill it one more time just to get a little extra shillage in here. Go follow me on IG. I'm doing a $500. I mean, not $500. Damn, I would be like out of my mind if I did that. But I'm doing a $50 giveaway for all any random IG follower at the end of the stream. So make sure you guys go follow me on IG. Links in the description, and I just posted it in the chat. So go follow me over there. I will be posting shorter clips, stories and stuff like that over there. So make sure you guys go follow me. But thanks for the shout out, man. Thanks, JB.
When we take a look at BTC, it took to dump, wondering how it all recovered.
All right, so Merrick super chatted, will altcoins get a bigger correction next week? If Bitcoin dumps, altcoins will definitely get a bigger correction, so be prepared for that. The altcoins do follow whatever Bitcoin does, all right? So, Jazz, I'm allowed to spam, all right? Now I'm definitely not following you on IG, all right? But you know, I don't like IG pictures. I don't like IG pictures. Maybe I'll bust out the IG meme. I haven't busted it out in a while. But now I'm gonna be on IG, so maybe gotta follow my own advice.
Just lost my job today. Guess what? It's payday and I am a baby.
Oh jeez, man. Guess what? It's payday and I'm all in, baby. All right, Ryan. Just be prepared for it to go a little lower, man. I don't want to see you get wrecked. Just be prepared for it to go down to maybe 45K. But as long as you're in this for the long run, man, you should be all right. Everything Man said, can we take a look at BTT? It took to dump, wondering how it all will recover. BTT? Yeah, I mean BTT. I mean, guys, like to be honest with you guys, like, it's gonna follow what Bitcoin does. right now, if you, so you're right at the support line right here at 0.6 cents. You break this level, you're going to come back down to 0.4 cents, 0.48, right? So be prepared for BTT to possibly have, it's really going to depend on what Bitcoin does, but be prepared for BTT to have another like 21% dip. Unfortunately, this is why I tell you guys, like you guys, like, so real quick, you guys who are invested in altcoins, you guys have been so spoiled with the altcoin season where you guys think that altcoins are always going to outperform Bitcoin. This is what I mean when I say Bitcoin and Ethereum are safer than the altcoins, because when we have these big dips, you know, Bitcoin might dump 30%, Ethereum might dump 30%, but the altcoins are going to dump 50, 60, 70% when this happens. So this is when I say that, you know, yes, when the bull market is going on, the altcoins are going to have exponentially higher gains, but at the same token, the altcoins are going to pull back harder than, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum do, right? So that's what I, like, you guys always me, like, I think a lot of you guys are confused when I say, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum are safer assets. It's because the pullbacks aren't as hard as altcoins. That's what I mean when I say that. So BTT could pull back another 20% after already being down big. So just be prepared for that. Merrick said, will we get a discount on altcoins next week? I think we will, as long as Bitcoin does what I think it's going to do and go a little bit lower. Hyan Wu Lee said Litecoin to 45,000, baby. I'm hoping, man. I don't know if you mean Bitcoin, but I mean, if Litecoin goes to 45,000, I think you're going to be sitting pretty good, my guy, you know? So, let's see. Ryan Dole said, just lost my job today. Guess what? It's payday and I'm all in, baby. Like I said, dude, just be careful. Only invest we can afford to lose, my man. And if you're in it for the long run, you should be good. But short term, don't invest anything you can't afford to lose, man. Well, that's my advice on that, dude. So, yeah, we got through the super chats there, which is pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. What was I looking at before? Oh, yeah, I was looking at the IG. IG, we're at 331. You guys are freaking killing it over there. Holy crap, man. You guys are freaking killing it. I gotta shill it one more time. Like, I'm in a shilling mood right now. You guys know me. All right, so it's not like I'm shilling something that's making me money. It's a friggin' Instagram. You guys know me. I'm not really a shiller, right? Have I ever really shilled anything on this channel? I don't shill any Bybit links, right? Yeah, I'll put them in the description. I'll put links in the description. But I don't really shill anything, right? I really don't. But, you know, the Instagram is pretty helpful. It helps with the more of the outreach, right? It helps me, you know, reach more people on a different platform. So I do appreciate the support over there. Like that's super, super helpful. So, but I can start showing some Bybit links if you guys want every 2 seconds. Guys, go sign up in Bybit. You guys get a $600 discount on Bybit. Go sign up over there right now. $600 discount. Some of these streamers, man, like literally they freaking shill their Bybit links 24/7. I'm not going to name names, but holy crap, man. I was watching some guy the other day, right? This is kind of me going on some rant, but I was watching some guy the other day. He shilled his Bybit link literally 4 times in like 10 minutes, like spread out, like every 2 minutes and 30 seconds, spamming his Bybit link. It's freaking crazy, man. It's freaking crazy. It's one thing like getting people to go to your Instagram, go to your Twitter or whatever, but when you're constantly showing your Bybit links, like, dude, holy crap, man. Friggin' crazy, man. Friggin' crazy, dude. You guys probably know, you guys are probably who guess I'm talking about. It's this one friggin' dude that literally does not stop shilling his Bybit links. Insane. So yeah, Bitcoin chilling at 50,857. So we're, like I said, 50,230 is probably up next.
You can use the code PLZ.
Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. So you guys are all saying it. You guys are all saying it. I'm not trying to hate on him. He seems like a cool dude. I watch his streams every now and then, but holy crap, does he shill his Bybit links, man. Holy All right. he seems like a good dude. So like, I'm not trying to talk crap or anything. Like, I get it. People, he's probably a full-time streamer. He's got to make his money, whatever. But holy shit, dude. Holy crap. Let's see. Ryan Dole said, just lost. All right, I already did Ryan's. Let's laugh together said, Head and Shoulders ETH 1 hour. Target 1860. Can you look? Target 1860. Can you look, please? Yeah, we can do Ethereum Head and Shoulders on the 1 hour. I'm sure there is, man. I mean, all these coins are probably making relatively bearish patterns, man. It is what it is. So, Ethereum, it kind of is, dude. Like, you got your left shoulder, you got your head, and if you bounce off here, you continue up a little bit higher, back up to where your left shoulder is. You could have a right shoulder and continue down. It's not confirmed until you get a bounce here and do that, but I can see what you're kind of saying. Now, you could just dump here and continue down, but it's the same type of thing, dude, you know? So. But either way, it looks like you continue down. Whether you get a short-term rally here, continue back down, or just dump, I think ETH does continue down here. Unfortunately, after a really good day today, Bitcoin is ruining all the gains that we got from Ethereum. But as we know, this is a long-term game, and they will be back, and they will be back even better and stronger the next time around that we come up to these levels, you know? Yeah, you guys know exactly what I was talking about. But like I said, he seems like a super cool guy. I do watch his streams every now and then. Nothing against him. It's just like, I'm not about, like, like I said, it's one thing shilling your Twitter, your Instagram to try to grow your outreach. But like, when you're shilling like your Bybit links, like, it's like, dude, leverage trading, like we just saw the other day, like when we saw people getting into leverage trading, we just saw that $10 billion liquidation of leverage trading just the other day for Bitcoin. Like, leverage trading can ruin people's lives. Like, it's one thing to put it in your description, right? And put a disclaimer like, oh, like, you know, leverage trading is dangerous, you know, like, oh, for pro traders only or something like that. But when you're just telling newbies, new people in the market to go sign up for Bybit, they don't know better. They're going to be doing 10, 20 X's over there. Okay, like that's the problem with like shilling your Bybit links. If you do it in a way warning people it's not a safe thing to do, only do it if you know what you're doing, then it makes a lot of sense, you know. But it's one thing if you're shilling it. I have a huge issue with it. That's why I don't do it. I've been approached by Bybit. I've been approached by Femex. I've been approached by a ton of exchanges to sponsor the stream, but you know, I'm not about that. I don't want people to get burnt, you know? So, it is what it is, man. It's what it is. All right, ETH is chilling at 23.59. I thought it was a show for a coin. No, dude. Ain't a shill, man. Shilling all day and every day, man. That's the life. All right, Bitcoin still actually got a decent bounce here, so we're not doing too bad for BTC. Not doing too bad for BTC. Let's see. Jordan is the new Insta model. Look at this. Look at this face. Look at this face. I can get 1,500. I mean 1,500. I can get a lot of followers just from this face. You know. I'm just kidding. If that was the case, it would already been that way. Johnny said, "Check Anchor. Good vibes, no drama." Sure thing, Johnny.
I am never going to financially recover from this loan.
Yeah, I gotta put on. I might have to put on slow chat because Like the support in the streams lately has been absolutely insane. Like it's crazy the support. I mean, it's crazy how much this stream has grown in literally 3 months. Like it's literally insane. Like there's been other streamers who have been streaming for since like 2018 that I already get more viewers than, which is literally insane. It's like I said, it's all because you guys that support me. Like when I first started this, I thought I was going to get like 10 viewers per stream. So it's like, it's insane, man. It's insane. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, let's check out Anchor though. Anchor. Let's see. What's going on with Anchor? You're still, you broke down. So you broke down from the ascending triangle pattern. So you did dip. Look for support here at about 11.8 cents. But if you break that support, like you really, like look at down here, you went straight up, straight down. So you don't have a lot of support here all the way until 8.4 cents for Anchor. So look for 11.8 cents, 8.4 cents next, okay? So, Elio, guys, I'm not trying to start drama in here. Like, that's not what I'm trying to do. I just don't want to see people get burned, you know what I mean? Especially newcomers to the market. It's one thing if people know what they're doing and they're getting burned, but it's another thing if they don't know what they're doing, they're a noob, they think, oh, I can make a lot of money doing a 100x leverage trade, and then they literally get destroyed. You know, that's another thing. So that's Anchor. Those are the next two supports for Anchor though, seriously, dude. Let's see. You guys are funny, man. Yeah, this is a good song right here. I don't know what this song is, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. All right. Let's see where we're at on the old YouTube. We're at 26,732, so we're killing the subs today. We're up over 300 subs during the stream today, so that's freaking crazy. Thank you guys for the support as always. Trying to hit 27,000 by the end of the week. That's the goal, and then 30,000 by the end of the month. I think we'll easily, at this pace, be able to I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. You guys know what I was going to say there. We'll easily be able to beat that goal today. So, you guys will probably like that one. you guys who know, you know what I was about to say. You know. JB said, I'm never gonna financially recover from this. Uh-oh, JB's panicking, guys.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero. Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
You guys, JB's panicking. I JB, I know you're just kidding. I know you're just kidding, man. Thanks, Algo, for the nice words, man. Appreciate you, man. All right. What else do we got going on here? What do we got in the chat, guys? All right, so I'm gonna since I'm through the super chats, I'm gonna pick a few from the chat. Just don't spam, guys. Like if I see you spamming, I'm not gonna pick it. So say your coin once in the chat. Move on. Don't be spamming. Like I said, if I see your coin in the chat, one, I'm not gonna pick it. Two, you're probably gonna get timed out. So don't be spamming, okay? Don't be spamming. And like I'm probably gonna have to add on slow chat, you know, if this continues, especially like so we're at 1,354 viewers right now. If we once Bitcoin starts going again, I mean, I might have to put on slow chat, you know. Don't spam, guys. So seriously. All right, Diego wants XRP, so let's check out XRP for Diego real quick. So Diego, XRP is dumping pretty hard right now, actually. You're at 112. So I'm seeing support down here at about $1. Psychological level of $1. Kind of like the inverse psychology of, you know, psychological level of $2 was your resistance. Now it's probably going to act as support at $1. XRP is already down 43% from its high. So this is a super freaking good, discount on buying. So 43%, like scoop that up, man. It's freaking crazy. You scoop that up there at $1, like you can't beat that. From $1, it's like a 50% discount on XRP. Like I was looking at buying XRP at 150. I'm glad I didn't. Now I'm gonna get a better discount. You know what I mean? It's crazy. It's crazy. Alt season will go which way? Alt season, I don't know what that means, man. But I think we're definitely going to be seeing another altcoin season for sure, dude. Like, I mean, we're still, I mean, right now, we're still in altcoin season. Now, you can see the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is in that 50%. We actually got a little bit of a bump on it. But, like, Bitcoin dominance hasn't been that low since 2018. Like, we've seen altcoin season, guys. Like, we've already seen it. It's time for, eventually at some point, Bitcoin's going to get a bounce on that Bitcoin dominance, and Bitcoin's going to start killing off not killing off the altcoins, but outgaining the altcoins. You know what I mean? It's got to come at some point for sure. Eamon said Cardano. We'll check out Cardano for sure, dude. Cardano broke a pretty big support level too. Cardano broke 112, which is your 2 wicks down here from April 18th and April 20th. You did break those 2 wicks, so look for Cardano to probably move back down, eventually down to 103, it looks like. 103 is your next support for Cardano. Some good stuff right there. What else we got here? What else we got, guys? Damn, everyone said stuff and then it just died out. Hold on. Let me go back up here. Everyone wants VeChains. Let's check out VeChain again. I mean, everyone and their mother wants VeChain. I'm not surprised. It's funny because you guys don't see, like, when I upload a VeChain video on YouTube, those don't do as well as the other videos. You know? 17 cents. VeChain dumping pretty hard. Look for 15.6 to be support. If you break 15.6, I mean, could be coming back down to 14.4, but everything's kind of dumping right now. So, I mean, we shouldn't be really surprised. But VeChain is definitely dumping right now, 17.1 cents. Like, this is a bargain for VeChain. Like, I didn't think VeChain was going to dump this much. VeChain down almost 40% from its high. Like, you buy anywhere between 14 and 15 cents. I think that's a bargain for VeChain. Yeah, it could go lower, but, like, I didn't think you would go this low. So, I mean, that's freaking crazy. Crazy. Fresh said SafeMoon could. Oh, let's look at SafeMoon, guys, real quick, because this, I wanted to make an example of SafeMoon real quick, and why you guys should probably listen to me when I talk about these S coins, okay? These S coins. All right. We know everyone, we had all the SafeMoon people in here. All the freaking SafeMoon people in here. Literally, come get some SafeMoon, hat. All shilling their freaking SafeMoon. And you can see from the top, we got a dip all the way back down, 75% dip. This is exactly what I'm talking about when you guys buy these S coins, hoping you're going to be a millionaire overnight. Just be prepared for a 75% dip over the course of one day, okay? That's when I say be careful, guys. And this thing's probably not done dumping. It's probably going to continue down. So, like, seriously, guys. If anyone that bought up here, I'm sorry. You probably lost your entire investment for the most part. But, yeah, dude. That's why I try to make an example. And everyone on this way up is, oh, no, you don't know anything about SafeMoon. SafeMoon is a great project. SafeMoon is so freaking awesome. So freaking awesome. Like, you don't know what you're talking about, man. All right. You know, I don't hear you talking now. I don't. All right, Bitcoin back down to 50,800. 50,800. All right, Bitcoin's getting a decent dump right now, guys. It really is. Doge, I'm scared. I mean, Doge is another one, guys. I tried warning you on Doge. I said short term it could go up, but I told you guys at some point Doge was going to get a massive dump, and Dogecoin is way overvalued right now, like way overvalued. It's going to get a big dump at some point, I'm telling you. It's going to, like, it is way higher than it should be. There's no reason that Doge should be number 7 on CoinMarketCap. There's no way it should have the 7th highest market cap over great projects like Polkadot, like Chainlink, VeChain. There's no way it should be over those projects. Dogecoin's going to get a big dip at some point. Don't be surprised seeing a, 50 to 70% dip on Dogecoin at some point. Don't be surprised if it happens. Same thing as SafeMoon. Way too much hype in that coin. Not enough use case in it.
HNT.
All right, 50,600 on BTC. Jung said it's cute though. All right, so I guess we should invest in Dogecoin because it's cute. That's pretty funny. It's cute though. Hold on, where were we? Algo super chatted 99 cents. Thank you, Algo. As always, man. I'll be hanging out in your stream after if you're hanging out, dude. Probably drinking some more Sam Adams, to be honest with you. Lady KO wanted Engine Coin. A lot of Engine Coin requests today. I don't really know why. Let's check out Engine Coin real quick, and we'll jump right back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's kind of just hovering around 50,600 at the moment. Let's see what Engine Coin's doing. I'm assuming it's dumping. Yeah, Engine Coin getting a big dump. So we're seeing big dumps on these coins. You actually broke that support. So look for 191 as support for Engine. You break that, you could be coming all the way back down to 151. But I think you get a bounce off 191 here for Engine. For sure, dude. You get a big brown dump here. Big freaking brown dump from BTC. Champax wanted HNT, so check out HNT for Hampax. Bitcoin getting a slight bounce as we speak right now, about $200, but nothing crazy. HNT holding up actually pretty decently. Trying to hold this, you actually did break it, so you did break that support as too for HNT. So downwards targets, probably look for, if you can't hold 1172, you probably come back down to 1074. Then if you break that, man, maybe 990. So you got for HNT too. I mean, HNT looks like it wants to dump as well. We'll see what happens with that though. Bitcoin just can't make up its mind. It's just kind of a slow bleed down. Like I want, like, if we get a dump, I just want it to be a quick dump, Quick freaking dump. All right, let's see where we're at on the IG though. I'm gonna keep shilling it. Everyone else shills, so why can't I shill? You know what I mean? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna. I only show my Instagram and my Twitter. That's it. I don't show anything else, guys. Go follow me on Instagram. Doing a $50 giveaway at the end of the stream. That's the only reason why I'm showing it, because I'm doing a giveaway. So, $50 giveaway. If you go follow me on Instagram, don't be one of the. If you're gonna be one of those people that unfollows me right after the giveaway, then don't follow me. You know what I mean? I'm probably doing one giveaway a week for my socials. So going forward, so it's better off just keeping followed, because I'll be doing a giveaway every week. 50,733 as we continue down for BTC. I want to say BTT. I love BTT. I don't know why I like saying BTT. Just awesome. John said Argon up 38%. What the heck is Argon? Argon. Yeah, Argon doing really well. Argon, you just broke. Kind of awkward, but you generally broke this downwards resistance. You had one fake out, but you generally broke this downwards resistance, and then you were off for Argon. Not really following.
Glad to see that you got the worth that you deserve, dude.
Appreciate the kind words, Laugh. Yeah, you've been here forever, man. I remember your name, dude. I'm good remembering names. I'm not so much with faces and names, but I'm good at remembering names. So, yeah, let's laugh. You've been watching forever, man. So I appreciate the kind words, man. That's awesome, dude. I'll definitely keep it up, man. I'm not going anywhere. Not going anywhere unless I'm going on some type of little mini vacation or something. I'll be here every single day for sure.
Don't you think BTC options expiry is pushing BTC down? Happens every month at expiry date.
I don't think that has anything to do with it. I mean, we're still 8 days away from the expiry date, so I don't think that has anything to do with it right now. I think if we were closer to it, that would make a lot of sense, but I don't think that necessarily has anything to do with it, in my opinion, you know. Yeah, but Argon looks really good, man. Argon looks really good. Don't be surprised. I mean, you could always come back down and back test one of these highs, so don't be surprised if you back test one of these. But, yeah. Looks really freaking good, man. You got resistance, yeah. So you got resistance right on your 0.5 Fibonacci. So, yeah, we'll see where you go next. BTC, slow creeping down, very slow. It's a slow creep at this point, you know? I should start my own staking company. I was thinking about looking into something like that. I don't really know a lot how that works. I probably have to do more research on that, but I was thinking about doing something like that. All right, 50,600 for BTC, dropping pretty quick here. Dropping pretty freaking quick. All right, like, yeah, I think at this point we're going to it, guys. We're going to 50,230. We're going to it at this point. Is BTC gonna have to make me stay up? I think it is. I think it is gonna have to make me stay up on a little longer, because this could, like, if we break 50,230, like, we could be seeing lower levels pretty damn quick. Pretty damn quick. Do you think Biden's CG tax is going to affect crypto for the long term or just short term? Or is this dump just a coincidence to this his announcement? I'm not really sure, man. Like, I haven't really looked into it. I got to look into it a little bit better, but I think it's just a coincidence. I mean, the dump already kind of happened before. Like, we already started this dump before his announcement, but I got to look more into it. I'm not sure if it affects, like, all long-term capital gains. Not sure if it affects just short-term capital gains. Not sure if it goes into effect this year or next year. Like, I don't really know any info about it. I haven't really looked into it because I've been streaming, obviously, for the past 3 hours. But, yeah, I mean, we'll take a look. I mean, I'll take a look tomorrow. I'll give you guys an update on what it is tomorrow. All right, Bitcoin dumping pretty hard right now. 50,304 as we speak. As we freaking speak. Thanks for the super chats, though, guys. Black Lotus, DL. You guys are studs. Let's see. Let's see. We're getting to that support, guys. 50,312. And no, we're not going to zero. Don't be you got wrecked. I mean, dude, you're not wrecked. Anyone saying they got wrecked, like, you're not wrecked until you sell. Okay? You're not wrecked until you sell, man. This is crypto's a long-term game. It's not a short-term game. If you guys are in this for the short term, you guys should be prepared. You guys should be prepared. We did break 50,230 as we speak right now. We'll see what happens here. I mean, people are saying there's a lot of support at 50,000, so we'll see if there's a lot of support at 50,000. Hope you remember me also, learning TA real time. Thank you, Chua. Yeah, I do, man. Appreciate it. Glad you're sticking around. Guys, they said 50,000 should be a pretty good support, so we'll see what happens. you know, psychological level, but we shall see.
If you remember me, also slightly smiling face learning ta real time.
Yeah, I mean, definitely. I keep seeing it. So I see a lot of 50-50 sentiment here. I'm seeing 50% of people saying, oh, we're going to zero. This is the end. I'm seeing 50% of people saying this is the best time to buy. We should be lucky having these dips. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. And this is what we want. We want a quick dip. Get it over with. We don't want no slow bleed. So anyone that's like, oh, we're going down so fast. This is crazy. I'd rather it go down fast. Like I said a million times, I'd rather it go down fast, get it over with, and then pump back up. I don't want no freaking slow bleed. That's freaking boring, man. Give me that dip back down to 45K. Give me that dip down to 45K. Give me a nice V bottom, and then we'll continue up. I don't want any of this like slow bleed stuff where we go back down, we pump back up, go back down, pump back up. Like, shit's freaking boring, man. Just give me a quick dump back down to the downside, right? I'm sure you guys would rather just a quick dump back to the downside. You know what I mean? That's what I would rather have. None of the slow bleed stuff. All right, good bounce there off 50K. We'll see if that continues to hold, but nice friggin' bounce off 50K. I'm happy at dumping, right? So you guys might be calling me crazy. I want it to dump. And you guys might be saying why. So 40, I think, yeah, about 40% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin. 40% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin. So you guys got to take it from me, right? Look how calm I am, okay? 40% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin, and I'm calm, and I haven't sold any of my position, okay? And yeah, so like, I don't know why a lot of you guys are panicking, all right? I just don't understand it, but is what it is. Getting a nice bounce here. I mean, I don't even want it to get a bounce. I want it to go lower. I want Bitcoin to go to 45,000. You know why? Because I have a big freaking buy order set at 45,000. Big freaking buy order set right at that 20 week EMA. And I want it to go there because I generally believe with all confidence in my heart that it will bounce off the 20 week moving average and continue up based on past support and resistance levels. I mean, it just makes sense, you know? Like, what do you guys want? Like, you guys want to have, it bounced off $50,000. Like, it's so friggin' awesome that we got a $500 bounce, you know? Like, that's not what you want. It's boring, right? Give me some quick dip, crimp back up. But the market movers are going to want to bore you out, right? They're going to want to tease you. What we probably do here is we probably bounce off 50K. We probably go back up here. Everyone gets super bullish. Oh, we're bouncing back up. This is the bounce. We get rejected off the 4-hour moving average. Come back down. Oh, it's super bearish. Super bearish. We're going to zero. We bounce off 47,000. Oh, it's super bullish. Oh, we're going back up to all-time highs. Get rejected again. Oh, we're going back down to 45,000. Oh, we're going back down to zero. It's the bear market. Bounce off the 20-week moving average and then continue up. Oh, we're super bullish. Oh yeah, like if we ever dip again, I'll buy the dip, but I didn't buy the last dip. Oh, that's probably what's going to happen, you know? So we'll see. We'll see. The sentiment in this market can change like this, guys. Like the sentiment is crazy. Like we literally get $1,000 pump and everyone all of a sudden whips up their Halloween costumes, puts the bull costumes on, and is literally walking around like Walmart with the bull costume on going, oh yeah, it's a Bitcoin bull market. But as soon as we get a $500 dip, it's like, oh, nope, I put the wrong costume on. I got to put the bear costume on, and you guys are walking around friggin' Target with the bear costume on. It's like, the sentiment is just crazy, man. Crazy. Like, everyone just have like even keel, no emotion, okay? That's, I mean, man, it's crazy. Man. What's going on over here? Damn, we hit 350 on IG though. That's what I'm talking about. All right, Bitcoin back up to 51,000. Everyone, go to your closets. Go to your closets. Go grab your bull costumes. It's time for the Halloween party. Everyone grab their bull costumes. And then tomorrow we're gonna get rejection. And then guys, everyone go to your closets. We got to get the bear costumes. The bear costumes. We're going to zero. It's insane. Watch Dogecoin. It's falling fastly. I mean, you should be surprised. Yeah, a lot of you guys, there's probably a third of you guys that don't watch my stream every day. But I mean, I tried warning you guys on Dogecoin too. Dogecoin, oh, holy crap. I'm sorry laughing for anyone that's in Dogecoin. Dogecoin's down to 22 cents. Dogecoin down to 22 cents. I went all the way back down to 19 cents. Holy crap. But like, man, I tried warning all the Dogers when it was up at 40 cents. I told you guys it was possible it went up to $1. It was possible, but Dogecoin has no use case. Eventually, even if it did go up to $1, it was just going to come back up and dump right back down. You know, it was going to look like Safe Moon. Like, all the Dogers, man. Already got a 50% dump, and Bitcoin's not done yet. So if Bitcoin continues down, you can see in Doge have a solid 70-80% correction. Probably back down. Look at support and resistance, guys. Doge, like, you went straight up here, so you have no support and resistance at that area. So you, generally speaking, you could come straight back down here to 14 cents. You know, crazy. I lost $300 to Doge and sold. There you go, Junior. At least you didn't lose too much, man. Yeah, they are all falling fast, man. Every coin is falling fast. Coin market cap, you'll see every single freaking coin falling fast. So, yes, I mean, that's what happens when Captain BTC dumps, you know? Is what it is. All right, so it's 10 o'clock. Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a pump right now. Back over really into this kind of channel it's in. Looks like it's going to get a close above that as we speak right now, but we'll see obviously what happens. I'm going to do one more Instagram shill. Guys, go sign up for Bybit. $600 bonus. Only on here. You actually get a $1,600 bonus from me. So actually, I'm just kidding. Go follow me on Instagram, seriously. We're almost back up to 400. My goal was 300, but we're actually close to 400. So you guys can go follow me on IG. That would be freaking sweet. Like I said, I'm gonna be posting a bunch of short clips and stories and stuff like that over there. So about like my general life outside of crypto. So like I said, go follow me over there. That'd be pretty freaking sweet if we can hit 400 on the first day here. I am giving away $550 for a random IG follower. Probably within the next couple minutes or so, I'll pick a random IG follower. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm probably just going to scroll up and down and just, put the cursor on someone and that's the winner. But we'll see. You guys are freaking awesome on that, man. All right. So, what's Dogers doing? Eden Shaw said, why is Bitcoin doing this? It's got to cool down, man. We were way too overextended from our moving average. Way too overextended. We were going up way too fast. Bitcoin needed to cool down. You go back to 2017. 2017 was way more of a, controlled bull market where every 2 months you came back down to that 20-week moving average. Way more controlled, right? You pumped and then you dumped. You pumped and then you dumped. We've been so spoiled for this bull market where we think we're just going to go up in a straight line. You know what I mean? Straight line. Oh, it's just going to go up forever. No, it's a simple pump and then a dump. pump and then a dump, right? It happens in a bull market. Nothing to be worried about, guys. Zero to be worried about unless you have money that you can't afford to lose in there, or two, you are in this for the long term. You're in this just to make a quick buck, which crypto, as much as people say it's a quick buck, it's not a quick buck. It is a long, drawn-out process where you have to have emotional control. You have to have self-control. You can't just be investing money you can afford to lose and expect to just make money overnight. That's not how it works. You got to have strong hands. You got to be really emotional in control to make money in this market. Because if you're not, you're going to sell this dip. You're not, you're going to sell this dip. Right? You're going to sell this dip. If you sold any of those dips and said, oh, crypto is a scam, right? Any of those dips, you said crypto is a scam. You sold this dip, crypto's a scam. Sold this dip, crypto's a scam. You would have missed out on this entire run up. So this is just another one of those dips. Crypto is not a scam, right? From this guy back in 2016. Listen to this guy back in 2016, okay?
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Listen to that guy. He thought crypto was a scam in 2016. Look where we're at now, So that's all I got to say. You know what I mean? It is what it is. All right, you guys are studs. All right, I'm going to pick a random IG person now. I'm going to shill it one more time. I'm about to do the giveaway. So if you guys want to win the giveaway, go follow me on IG. I'm going to do the giveaway in 2 minutes. I'm going to pick a random person that followed me. So make sure you guys go follow me over there. Links in the description and in the chat. If you guys want to win the $50 giveaway, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Only follow me over there if you're actually going to stay followed. You're not just going to unfollow me as soon as I do the giveaway. That's not how it's supposed to work. I will be doing one giveaway a week, so you might as well stay followed. So I'll probably be doing a $50 giveaway every week for Instagram and Twitter going forward. So appreciate it, guys. I'm glad you guys like that one. That one's never going away. So I have a bunch. I have 12 buttons on my soundboard here. I'm probably gonna switch out some of them every now and then, but I don't think that one's ever going anywhere. That's probably my favorite one. That one makes me laugh every time I hear it. Every time. Even this guy too. This one's not as good, but
it's a fraud. It's a Ponzi. I agree completely. I call it a Ponzi with no one in charge.
that guy said that in 2017. So all these people, oh, Bitcoin's a Ponzi, oh, this and this, oh, all of a sudden we're up 100x from where we were when those guys said that. So I think it's pretty funny, but it is what it is. While they're invested in their freaking stocks that are up 20% over the last 3 years, you know, congrats, man. Congrats, dude. My investment portfolio is up over 80x over the last 4 years. But hey, you go invest in your stocks that are up, you know, 20% in the last 3 years. I'm bet you're doing really freaking well. I bet you're making life-changing money doing that. No post yet? No post yet. I just made it today, man. Just made the IG today. I'll be starting the post tomorrow. That's why there's no post. All right, now all you guys want to follow me over there. All right, I'm going to do it in 30 seconds. I'll give you guys one last chance to go follow me over there. One last freaking chance to go follow me. Links in the description, links in the chat. 30 seconds, I'm going to pick the winner. All right, 30 freaking seconds. 30 freaking seconds. What was I talking about? I was talking about algo. I was talking about algo. I don't even remember what I was talking about, honestly, 2 seconds ago. I have no idea what I was talking about. All right. 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. Only follow me if you're going to stay followed, though. Don't just follow me because you want to win the giveaway, okay? I'm actually going to be posting good content over there. So actually make sure you follow me for a good reason, all right? John said, I keep hearing it's a scam, but no one can explain why they think it's a scam. It's just a scam. Yeah, people are just jealous. People look at a market that's making money and they say it's a scam every single freaking time. Like clockwork. 2013, oh, Bitcoin's a scam. 2017, Bitcoin's a scam. 2020, Bitcoin's a scam. Oh, but every single time it goes up 50x every bull market, you know. But I guess it's a freaking scam, you know. I guess. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna pick a random IG follower. I'm gonna try to do it randomly, guys. Like, I'm gonna refresh the screen here. I'm gonna try to do it randomly. We're at 462. Holy crap, you guys! All right, I'm about to click it. You guys got one more chance. One more chance to get in this, okay? I'm gonna give it 10 seconds. One more freaking chance. Go follow me over there. Links in the description and in the chat. I'm gonna give you guys. I'll give you guys 20 seconds. All right? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm clicking it. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna pick a random person here. I'm gonna scroll up and down randomly here. I'm gonna pick someone random. I'm not gonna look. All right, you guys can see I'm not gonna look here. I'm gonna pick someone random. Whoever my whoever my cursor lands on, that's who the winner is. All right, that's how I'm doing this. And if you're the winner, make sure you go to the Discord. Send me a message. Actually, no, it's not gonna work. Trying to think how to do this. I'll follow. Oh, here it is. I'll follow the person that wins. I'm gonna follow the person that wins, and I will message you, and then you can give me your PayPal. I'll send you it via PayPal. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna do this up and down, and like I said, I will be doing this every week, guys. I will be doing this once a week. All right. Here we go. Going up. Going down. Going down. All right, I'm about to stop. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Who to land on? All right, Adam Cook. Adam Cook is the winner. Adam Cook. You are the winner, man. You are the freaking winner. So I'm about to follow you. All right. Adam Cook, you're the winner. I don't know how to send it. Hold on, I didn't find. Hold on, I gotta find Adam Cook now. Dude, I pressed follow, didn't I? Hold on. Oh, Adam Cook, man. I gotta find Adam Cook now, dude. Where's my boy, Adam Cook? Where's Adam? Dude. I lost him. I lost Adam. Shit, dude. Where's Adam? There he is. There he is. All right, Adam, I requested you, man. I requested you. So make sure you accept it. Send me a message on IG. All right, Adam Cook. What a stud. Look at Adam Cook. He's just freaking... Why is this picture like this? Adam Cook's a freaking stud, though. Look at him. Look at him with this sweater vest. No, seriously. Send me a message, man. Give me your PayPal, and then I will send you $50 via PayPal. So you're the first winner, man. I will. I'm going to be doing this maybe every week. Maybe I'll do it every couple days, depending on how good it continues to go. But Adam Cook, Adam Good Cook, Adam Good. You take out one O out of there, and Adam, you take out one O out of there. You're pretty good, dude. You're pretty good there. You take out one O. Anyways, thank you guys for the support. You guys are freaking studs. Yeah, there we go. Everyone got to start unfollowing now. But thank you guys for all the guys that actually supported me and staying followed. You guys are freaking studs, okay? There's all the unfollowers. Look at all you guys unfollowing. 513. There we go. All right. Thank you guys for the support, though. You guys are freaking awesome. Because his family's trying to drown him. That's funny, man. He's in the toilet. Adam Cook. All right. If you didn't hear again, one more chance. Adam Cook. Make sure you send me a message on IG, or accept my friend request first of all, and then send me a message on IG. All right. Bitcoin 50,400. So it actually is dumping a little bit again. Let me get rid of all this nonsense that I was blabbing about before. It's getting a little bit of a dump here again. 50,300. We'll see what happens here. I mean, it did have a nice little bounce, but it didn't really last really long. Oh, guys, all Patreon members, make sure you guys get signed up for the Crypto Madness tournament. All right, sign-ups are for today, and they're going to end tomorrow at 10 p.m. So make sure you guys get in there. All right, make sure you guys get in there. See where we're at right now. So we only got 3 people in there now. So make sure you guys get in there. I bet a lot of you guys are being sneaky and waiting till tomorrow so you guys can see where the market ends up, and you guys can make your picks based on what the stuff is tomorrow. I bet you guys are being a little sneaky. But make sure you guys get in there. Link is on the Patreon, and I'll also repost it on the Discord tonight so you guys have it as well. If you guys want access to the Crypto Madness tournament, make sure you guys join the Patreon, link down below. It's a fun little tournament. I also am in it. I haven't won yet, unfortunately. Algoape and Prometheus have both beaten me. I'm pretty sad about that, but I will take the dub on Crypto Madness V3. I am pretty competitive, so we'll see. We'll see. If you dump while Bitcoin's dumping, you get paid to dump. Prove me wrong. You get paid to dump? Not necessarily, because you can dump, and then it can bounce, and then you have to buy back in higher, and you're screwed. You know? Who knows where Bitcoin's going to bounce? Bitcoin can bounce anywhere. All it takes is one announcement. Oh, Tesla bought $1 billion of Bitcoin, and then this thing's going to go flying. Oh, MicroStrategy bought another $400 million of Bitcoin. It continues up, right? It only takes one news event to go back up, just like it takes one news event for it to go down, you know? So we'll see. Like at some point, all the way back down to 45,000, at some point, we're going to get one of these big institutions buying, and it's going to be a big propeller back to the upside at some point, you know? But we'll see. All right, guys, we've been live for 3 hours and freaking 15 minutes, man. I think this is the longest stream I've done since Bitcoin was really rolling back in probably February. But yeah, I'm probably going to call it a stream. I'll be hanging out. I'll definitely be hanging out on the Discord a little bit tonight. I'm probably going to be up late since I've had like a couple friggin' Sam Adams, a lot of Sam Adams actually. Probably hanging out on the Discord a little bit, watching. I don't know if Algo is going to be streaming, but I'll watch an Algo stream and watching some basketball and stuff like that. So go join the Discord if you haven't already. But anyways, it's been an awesome stream tonight. You guys are, like I said, you guys are always freaking awesome. You guys support me, and I generally just like hanging out with you guys. You guys are hilarious in the chat. You guys make me laugh, and that's what's important in this world. You know, you can hang out with someone, make each other laugh, and just have a good time. You know, so I'll see you guys in tomorrow's stream. Don't know if I'll be uploading. Maybe I'll upload a few videos tomorrow too, but I'll definitely be obviously streaming tomorrow from 7 to 10. But anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell your Bitcoin, and most of all, don't panic sell your Bitcoin. All right? Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.